13.
654.
4 of 2013. Yes.
Right.
Your Lordship, may I be
Yes, Mr.
pardoned?
Dhir? What a
Your
mention.
Lordship, Item 45, Your Lordship. I'm praying.
45? Month 45, yes.
I'm praying for after vacations, Your Lordship.
21st February.
I'm much obliged.
Yes. Yes, Mr. Rautre?
My lord, I pray 2 weeks time.
Mr.
At
D.K.
least-
Rautre for the petitioner. Mr. This is a matter of 2011.
2000. I want to know the status of that petitioner, whether he is in jail custody or in the meantime he has been.
Now you see that the
Yes.
entire discussion was centering around this. How many matters are we are able to take up after 12 years? The Learned Counsel for the petitioners seeks accommodation, further accommodation to obtain up-to-date instruction and advance arguments as paid for list on 19/2/2024. Yes,
Obliged, my lord.
yes, please. But early date चाहूँचन जदि कहबे because ये जो calendar टा चलছে এটা से माने माने in a flow आगु कोड़ा जाइछि सेमसे अनुसार.
Okay.
You want in January you have to mention or first second week of February. Yes, Mr. Mishra, please. Mr. Mishra, kindly unmute Mr. Mishra.
No instruction. Not responded to letter.
Sir, file a memo.
My lord.
What is the memo day?
Yes, sir.
The Learned Counsel for the Mr. H.S. Mishra for the petitioner, Mr. Standing Counsel for the State, Learned Counsel for the petitioners submits that despite efforts to contact the petitioner for obtaining instructions regarding the present status, it is a final disposed of matter or
No, against framing of charge.
framing of charge. So, कौन लिख ले? Present status of the matter pending before the so and so court. The petitioner has not responded. Sir, register letter
Register letter देख लीजिए.
has not responded to the letter sent in his address by registered post with AD.
Madam.
In such view of the matter, the Learned Counsel for the petitioner submits that there is no up-to-date instructions from the petitioner to pursue the matter at present. Para. The Learned Standing Counsel submits that the petition was filed challenging the order framing charges. Order dated 16/8/2012. Framing charges in S.C. number 46/2022 of 2012 in the Court of Additional Session Judge Bolangir. Therefore, it is submitted in all likelihood nothing would survive at present before this court for adjudication. Para. Having heard the Learned Counsel for the petitioner, the Learned Standing Counsel, the matter stands disposed of. Memo dated today. You send the memo, please.
Yes, I am sending, madam.
13/12/20 memo dated 13/12/2023 is taken on record.
Lord, disposal was I said no. I don't have any instruction.
Yes. Upon
Yes.
just that. In fact, I have dictated that order only. Mention that in the memo and file it.
Madam. Yes. Number 3, I pray.
Memo dated filed by the Learned Counsel for the petitioners. Yes, please. Next,
Next, Lord, may be adjourned.
Mr.
Last chance.
H.S. Mishra for the petitioner, Mr. Standing Counsel for the State, Learned Counsel for the petitioner seeks accommodation to obtain up-to-date instructions and advance arguments as prayed for list on
By
22/2024 to grant further opportunity to the petitioner. Yes,
Lord,
next, please.
Lord, may at the cost of repetition, Lord, that matter may be listed on 15, my lord.
Sir, it cannot be, sir. Sir, there is some other difficulty also. From here to files to reach again after signed and serially signed and all that. Those because somehow maybe due to individual efficiency पर निर्भर करे. I may not be that quick and all these things. So धरन्तु I rise at around 5:15 yesterday. So by 7, even I could not complete the orders granting bail because the stenos have some difficulty. Some of them they leave, though they work. I must say, when I'm saying it openly, I have to say that they are working till 10 also. सो सेटा कोन होची ना फिर सकाळे आउ थरे से कोचन जे आगे मैटरटा आसीनी सो तापर हेडू सप्लीमेंटरी लिस्ट करिकी ताकू माने कोन स्पेशल नोटिस करिकी दीटा बेले फेर आने पड़ुची ऑल दिस डिफिकल्टीज आर देयर
If possible, because the trial is there on 16.
बट आपण जदि आईटा करिथांते ताले एटलीस्ट आपण मेंशन करथांते आईटा फाइल हिची बोली एंड आपण एशियन रिसर्फेसिंग रो कॉन्सिक्वेंस होची द मिसकेस विल नॉट सर्वाइव
I understand.
but definitely sir Asian so that is a hint to you sir man I mean this is my humble
I will
2023 रे गोटे आईए फाइल कले 2023 रे आईए फाइल कले the high court can take up
10 ବର୍ଷ ତଳେ ସେଟା ଜଜ ପଡିଥିଲା ଆଉ ସେଟା କିଏ ପଡୁନାନ୍ତି କି
naturally I understand
କୋର୍ଟ ମାଗୁନାହାନ୍ତି ବୋଲି ନଉଛୁ ନା କୋର୍ଟ ଯାହା ଚାହିଁବେ ଆମେ ଦେବୁ କ୍ଲାଏଣ୍ଟ କୁ କହିବୁ ଦେ ବୋଲିକିରି କିନ୍ତୁ ଅସଲ କଥା ହଉଛି ସେଟା ହେଇଥିଲେ ମୁଁ ରେଡି କରିଦେଇଥାନ୍ତି ଆଜି ବି आप ଯଦି କହିବେ ବୋଲେ ମୁଁ କାଲି ରେଡି କରିବି ଫାଇଲ ବି କରିଦେବି
ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ନାଇଁ I am not there you see a miscase of 2013 after Asian resurfacing loses its significance
I understand.
Miscase of 2023 can always be taken up
I cannot say that the court is wrong, but the whole point is that since no court is asking for it, we have not developed that habit. Now onwards we will do that.
नहीं sir I'm not there when no court is asking I am also not asking if it is continuing I am not asking I am not there but apanakar facts say you are saying that despite the order in that interim order in 2013 petition where final stay was not granted but interim stay was extended the court has proceeded further
Proceeded not yet but intending to proceed. It is posted on 16th for trial. It is not yet proceeded.
asu dekhiba se dino
Yeah.
yes next 4
Item 4.
yes से आरब बेलटा कोडा गला 6960 टा आछि yes Mr. Rai काइटा 6960 तो कोन नाही इतरे
Here is a case will find the petitioner alleged to have
पण टी माइक्रोफोन ने काइंडली स्पीक टू द माइक्रोफोन सर
alleged to have fraud rupees 30.
नहीं आपण मेरिट रे आर्ग्यू करनांती आपनकर जो सेकंड बेल रे केबे रिलीज हेले आपण मल्टीपल पिटिशन फाइल करके मल्टीपल ऑर्डर्स नहीं चंती दिस इज द थर्ड बेंच
सेकंड बेले सेम डे रिलीज ହେଇଛି 11/10/2023
ऑर्डर ता दियंतु
order certificate copy was applied
नहीं सर्टिफाइड नहीं आपण तो आपण जो रिलीज हेतिबे रिलीज ऑर्डर ता मते दियंतु न आपण नले जेल रु बाहरले किंत आपण तो जेल रे थिबे ना माने आई मीन द पिटिशन वुड हैव बीन जेल
जे सर्टिफिकेट कॉपी मागितले से कहले
आपण ताले कीप क्वाइट आई एम नॉट आस्किंग फॉर ए सर्टिफाइड कॉपी आई एम माय क्वेश्चन इज डिफरेंट आपण सर्टिफाइड कॉपी 50 थर कहले व्हाट आई कैन डू ये स्टैंडिंग काउंसिल व्हाट कैन बी डन
Malad, on 9/10, Malad, 9/10/23, he got the interim bail for 2 months in that case, money. And when he has Malad, released, that's 6960.
6960 टा काय
Yes, Malad.
hey still worse this is what they have done you know on 11/12/2023 the accused was present in the court along with his counsel and the counsel for the accused filed a memo stating that the Hon'Ble High Court of Orissa has extended the period of interim bail for a period of 1 month सिक्स 6960 रे को दिन एक्सटेंड हला
last Friday
सेटा नहीं कि आपण एथरे केमति देखै देले
जीटा केस सरेंडर डेट थिला ना गोटे
नहीं
केस
परियो
हां गोटे केस सरेंडर करले ना
के गपिया बंद करंतु आपण मु पचन यू विल नॉट असिस्ट आई नो यू आर इनटू दिस थिंग एक्चुअली आपण एटा कथाला आपण जानथिले ता माने शुक्रवार जदि घटनाटा घटिची आपण सेदिन जो मैटर लिस्ट हेतला आपण किछ कहू नथिले इट इज यू हैव प्लेड ए पार्ट इन दिस 6911 रे बेल एक्सपायर करी गला बुझले से सेठी जाई कि कहले 6911 एक्सपायर करिगला परे जे 6960 रे से बेल एक्सटेंड हेगला ता हेई परिबो कि दैट इज द
ना
क्वेश्चन
केमती 6911 नहीं that bail order has to be that has to be extended in particular case. Seti it again. I don't also, my lord.
you check it and he knew से सेटा सेति पई सेदिन आ कहलेनी मिस्टर राय गोटे स्ट्रेटजी सबले मन रखथिबे never think anyone to be smart and the opponent and the judge to be a dumb fellow. Both the ways it is wrong. I have never done that. I never underestimate my colleague in the bar. I have never underestimated. Even the lawyer who is not speaking a word even in the court, I give him the equal importance because on that particular day, you will find that he's outstanding. So what they did, 6960, they got extension.
Yes.
That order they have filed there, that the bail has been extended. But it's a mistake by the court. Because the court is referring to 6911.
6911.
Yes. There is no confusion. To that extent, there is no
Yes.
confusion. But not that they sold the order as if it was passed in 6911.
6911.
No, it is 6960 there say. Date fed lekhuna, the standard is very poor. Very poor
My
standard.
lord, may call for a report. Another report, your lord.
Report asichi.
Report they are not given.
Report
Not
they
yet
have given.
received. My lord, the noting your lordship kindly. That report on the same day they have given. On the subsequent, my lord, your
Subsequent
lordship
report, it has come. से कौन है कहले जे सबमिशन ऑफ डिटेल रिपोर्ट रे कोठी माने से लिखले सबमिशन ऑफ डिटेल रिपोर्ट आज डिजायर्ड बाय ऑनरेबल लॉर्डशिप एटा ऑनरेबल कोर्ट हवा कथा लॉर्डशिप को एतरे कोन अछि इन बीएलएपएल नंबर एते ऑर्डर नंबर लिखा है ऑर्डर टा केबे कर आज होची केते 13
सेटा होची
11
11
से ता परे आछि रिपोर्ट अछि
अच्छे
देखु नांती देख फिजिकल कॉपी देखन ट्रांसफर होला पर भी प्रॉब्लम होची बोधे पेज फ्लैग एम मिस्टर राय भी से कहउचंती ना आपणकर 6911 ने मूव कले आपण बेल को दिन 11 रे ना 12 तारिख रे 11 तारिख रे
Same day he was surrendered before this court after rejection of the IA. So surrender taken to custody.
को दिन
And 3935.
अरे सेम कहले मु डेट टा केंदी जानिबे आपण सर्वनाम व्यवहार कले हबो की
11
कॉम्प्लिकेटेड
11/12/2023. Surrender and taken into custody.
नहीं तो
हाँ custody में
पढ़न तो मु भूल बुझती मिस्टर का
935 रे custody नहीं गले तम
फेर आउथर ते बुझे पड़ो देखले तो सी कहउचंती कस्टडी रे गले किंतु चिट्ठी कोन आसला मिस्टर स्टैंडिंग काउंसिल जस्ट सी फ्रॉम द टॉप पीएस के 178 30/6/21 11/12/2023 मु तो सबुथरे क्लियर लिखुची पीएस केस नंबर हमको नंबर तापरे पढंतु
ठीक होची No, I would yes. Sorry.
M ଉପରେ ଗୋଟେ ଛୋଟିଆ n ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି।
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ
ଆଇ ଏମ୍ ସରି, ମୁଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ m କହିଲି, m n ଦିଟା ଅଛି।
ନେକ୍ସଟ
ହଁ।
ଫ୍ଲାଗ ଏମ୍ $6911 ରେ ପଡିଗଲା।
ହୁଁ, ଉପରେ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଲେଖା ହେଲା 6911।
ହୁଁ।
So this is 6911.
6911
ସେ ତ ରିଲିଜ ହେଇଗଲା ବୋଲି ଲେଖିଲେ।
ସେଟା ସେମାନେ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଲେଟରଟା, ସେଟା ସବଜେକ୍ଟରେ ସେ 6911 ପକେଇ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି।
ଆରେ
କିନ୍ତୁ
ଆରେ ସବଜେକ୍ଟ ହଉଛି 6911, ଠିକ ଅଛି।
କଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସଟା ଯୋଉ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି, କଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସଟା ମତେ ଲାଗୁଛି ଏଥିରେ ଯାହା ଅର୍ଡର ହେଇଛି ଟ୍ରାନ୍ସଫର ହେଇଛି।
ଟ୍ରାନ୍ସଫର ହେଇନି। 6960 6911
ହୁଁ।
6911 ଟା ଚାଲିଛି ଗୋଟେ ଅର୍ଡର।
ଆଜ୍ଞା
6911 ରେ ମାର୍ଚ୍ଚ 2022 ରେ ଇଣ୍ଟରିମ୍ ବେଲ୍ ଗ୍ରାଣ୍ଟ ହେଲା।
33 ହେଇଥିଲା
22 ରେ 2022 ରେ।
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ସେଇଟା ଏବେ ଆସିଲା ଏଠିକି ଫର ଏକ୍ସଟେନସନ।
ଫର ଏକ୍ସଟେନସନ।
ସେଥିରେ ଲେଖା ହେଲା ଯେ ଆମର ଏକ୍ସପାୟାର କରିଗଲା, ମୁଁ ରିଲିଜ ହେଇଥିଲି 10/11
ହୁଁ।
ତାହେଲେ ଏକ୍ସପାୟାର କରିଗଲା। ସେଠୁ କୋଇନ୍ସିଡେଣ୍ଟାଲି ମୁଁ 10/11 ରିଲିଜ ହେଲେ, ତାହେଲେ ମାସେ ତ ହେଇଛି, ଆପଣ ଏକ୍ସପାୟାର ତ କରିନି। ଏବଂ ଆପଣ କାହିଁକି ବେଲ୍ ଅର୍ଡର ପାସ୍ ହବାର
ଏତେ ଦିନ ପରେ
ବର୍ଷେ 8 ମାସ ପରେ,
ରିଲିଜ କାହିଁକି ହେଲେ?
ମାନେ ଗୋଟେ ଇଣ୍ଟରିମ୍ ବେଲ୍ ସବୁବେଳେ ଅର୍ଜେନ୍ସି ଥାଏ,
ହଁ।
ଆପଣ 20 ମାସ ଭିତରେ ରହିଗଲେ କଣ ଡିଫିକଲ୍ଟ ଥିଲା ମୁଁ ତ କହିପାରିବିନି। ସୋ ସେଟା ମିଷ୍ଟର ରାୟ କହିପାରିଲେନି କଣ ହେଲା। ଆଇ କଲ୍ ଫର ଏ ରିପୋର୍ଟ। ସେ ରିପୋର୍ଟରେ ଦେଖିଲେ ଯେ ସେଟା 10/11 ନୁହଁ 11/10। ମୁଁ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଅର୍ଡର ଲେଖିଲି ଇଟ୍ ଇସ୍ ଇନଆଡଭର୍ଟେନ୍ସ ଅର୍ ଅଦରୱାଇଜ, ମୁଁ ଡେଲିବରେଟ ୱାର୍ଡ ବି ୟୁଜ କରିନି। ମେ ବି ଡ୍ୟୁ ଟୁ ଇନଆଡଭର୍ଟେନ୍ସ ଯାହା ହେଇଥିବ। ବଟ୍ ଯଦି 11/10 ହେଲା, ଏକ୍ସପାୟାର କରିଗଲା 8 ତାରିଖ ନା 6 ତାରିଖରେ।
12 11 11 12 11 11/12
11/12 କେନ୍ଦ୍ର 8
6
ଆପଣ ନିଜେ ଦେଖିଲେନି, ସାର୍ ଦେଖିଲେ, ଆପଣ ଦେଖିଲେ, ସେଟା
8 weeks।
ଶୁକ୍ରବାର ଏକ୍ସପାୟାର କରିଗଲା 8 ତାରିଖ। ସେଥିପାଇଁ 8 ତାରିଖ ପରେ ଆଉ ଏକ୍ସଟେନସନ ର ସ୍କୋପ ରହିଲାନି। ଏଟା 7 ରେ ଏକ୍ସପାୟାର କରିଛି, ଏଟା 8 ରେ ଫାଇଲ ହେଇଛି ନା 6 ରେ ଏକ୍ସପାୟାର କଲା, କାରଣ 31 ମାସ ଅଛି। 8 weeks ରେ 31 ଗୋଟେ ଅଛି ତା ଭିତରେ। ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଏଇଟା କେତେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି? ଅକ୍ଟୋବରରେ ତ ଯାଇଛନ୍ତି ତ 11/10 ରେ ଗଲେ 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 6 ତାରିଖରେ ଏକ୍ସପାୟାର କରିଗଲା। ଆଉ 6 ତାରିଖରେ ଏକ୍ସପାୟାର କଲେ, ସେ 7 ରେ ଫାଇଲ କରିଛନ୍ତି, 11 ରେ ମୁଭ କଲେ। ତ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ସେ ତ ଠିକ ଚିଠି ସେ ଠିକ ବୁଝିଛନ୍ତି। ତାପରେ ସେ ରେକର୍ଡଟା ଆସିଲା ନା, ତାପରେ ରେକର୍ଡ କହୁଛି ସେ ଅର୍ଡରଟା ମୋ ପାଖକୁ ଆସିଲା। ଅର୍ଡର ଦେଖିଲା ବେଳକୁ ସେମାନେ ଅଲରେଡି, କିନ୍ତୁ ସେ ରିଜିନ ଯୋଉ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ସେଟା ମୁଁ ବୁଝିପାରୁନି। ତାପରେ ପଢନ୍ତୁ, ରେସ୍ପେକ୍ଟେଡ ସାର୍ ଯୋଉ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି, ଅନରେବଲ ରେଜିଷ୍ଟ୍ରାର ଜୁଡିସିଆଲ। ସାର୍ ଯୋଉ ଆପଣ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ସେ କଷ୍ଟଡିକୁ ଗଲେ, କଣ ଏଇ ଜେଏମଏଫସି ୟୁଟିପି କୋର୍ଟ ଏଇ ଦୀପଙ୍କର ବଳ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
କୋଉ ଦିନ ସେ
11 ତାରିଖ ନା ଏଠି ଯୋଉ ଆଇଆର ଡିସମିସ୍ ହେଲା ପରେ ସରେଣ୍ଡର ହେଇଛନ୍ତି। 935/2000 GR 935/2021 ଯୋଉଟା 6911।
ସେଥିରେ ବି ଆପଣ କାହିଁକି ବି ମୁଭ୍ କଲେ? 9/10 ରେ ସେଥିରେ ମୁଭ୍ କରୁଛନ୍ତି, ଏଥିରେ ମାର୍ଚ୍ଚ 22 ରେ। ଯଦି ଆପଣଙ୍କର ସେପାରେଟ ଏଫଆଇଆର ଅଛି, ତାହେଲେ ବୋଧେ ଆଇ ଥିଙ୍କ ସେ ବାହାରି ପାରିବେନି ଇଣ୍ଟରିମ୍ ବେଲ୍ ରେ। ସେଟା ହେଲେ ଆଗରୁ ମୁଭ୍ କରିଥାନ୍ତେ ନା, ମିଳିବନି ବୋଲି ଆପ୍ରିହେନ୍ସନ ଥିଲା ନା କଣ? ମୁଁ ବି ବୁଝିପାରୁନି କଣ ହେଇଛି ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲି।
ବ୍ରିଫ୍ସ ଅଲଗା ଅଲଗା
ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଗୋଟେ ଲୋକକୁ ବେଲ୍ ମିଳୁଛି, ସେ ଭିତରେ ରହିକି ଅଛି 19 ମାସ।
କ୍ୟାଶ ସିକ୍ୟୁରିଟି ରିପୋର୍ଟ କରିପାରିଲାନି।
କ୍ୟାଶ ସିକ୍ୟୁରିଟି ତ ବେଶୀ ନୁହଁ, 30,000।
ନାଇଁ 5 lakhs ଥିଲା।
5 ଲାખ କୋଉଥିରେ ଥିଲା?
6069।
ନା ନା,
5 lakhs cash security
6911 ଏତେ ଟଙ୍କା ନୁହଁ
ନାଇଁ 6911 ବେଲ୍ ହେଇନଥିଲେ ଖାଲି ସେ କୋର୍ଟ କହିଥିଲେ ଯେ
ସାର୍ 6911 ଇଣ୍ଟରିମ୍ ବେଲ୍ ରେ ଆପଣ
Interim
କଣ
bill ଦେଇଥିଲେ ଯେ
ଆପଣ
ତାକୁ-
ନିଜେ ବି କନଫ୍ୟୁଜ ହେଇଗଲେ ଆଉ ତ ଲେଖାଟେ ନୋଟ ତିଆରି କରନ୍ତୁ
6911 ଇଣ୍ଟରିମ୍ ବେଲ୍ ଦେଇଥିଲେ କୋର୍ଟ ଯେ ଆପଣ ପଇସା
କେତେ ଟଙ୍କାରେ 30,000 ଆପଣ 30,000 ମାନେ ସଡନଲି କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଯେ 5 lakhs ବୋଲି 5 lakhs ମ୍ୟାଟର ଟା କୋଉ BLAPL ସେଟା ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କଣ BLAPL ହେଇଥିବ
ସେଟା 6960
ନାଇଁ 6960 ଏତେ ଟଫ୍ କଣ୍ଡିସନ ନାହିଁ 6960 ଆଜ୍ଞା
କ୍ୟାଶ ସିକ୍ୟୁରିଟି ଅଛି 5 lakhs
ସାର୍ ମେ ମାସ ଏଇ ଆମର 9 ସେପ୍ଟେମ୍ବର ମେ ଫେର ମୋର ବି କନଫ୍ୟୁଜନ 9th of 2023 much after that I am sir asking you a very specific question March 2022 ରୁ ଆପଣ ଏପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ବେଲ୍ ରେ ଯାଇନାହାନ୍ତି ଇଣ୍ଟରିମ୍ ବେଲ୍ ରେ till it was granted in 6960 what is the reason that I was asking you
ରିଜନ
ଆପଣ କହିଲେ କ୍ୟାଶ ସିକ୍ୟୁରିଟି ଦେଇ ପାରିଲେନି ମୁଁ 30,000
ନାଇଁ, ନାଇଁ,
ଯୋଉଟା ଜଷ୍ଟିସ ସାହୁଙ୍କର SK ସାହୁଙ୍କ ଅର୍ଡର ସେଟା ବୋଧେ ନା ଯଦି AK ମହାପାତ୍ରଙ୍କ ଅର୍ଡର ବଟ୍ ସେଥିରେ ସ୍ପେସିଫିକ
69
ଥିଲା ଲିଷ୍ଟିଂ ପାଇଁ ଲିଷ୍ଟିଂ ମ୍ୟାଟର ହେଇନି
6960 ରେ ଅର୍ଡର ହେଇଯାଇଥିଲା ରିଲିଜନ ବେଲ୍ ଫର୍ନିସିଂ କ୍ୟାଶ ସିକ୍ୟୁରିଟି 5 lakhs କ୍ୟାଶ ସିକ୍ୟୁରିଟି ଦେଇ ପାରିଲେନି ବୋଲି ଇଣ୍ଟରିମ୍ ବେଲ୍ ଫାଇଲ କଲେ ସେଥିରେ ଇଣ୍ଟରିମ୍ ବେଲ୍ ହେଲା ପରେ
କିଏ କୋଉଠି କୋଉ ଅର୍ଡର ରେ ଆପଣ ସେ ଅର୍ଡର ଡେଟ୍ ଟା ଟିକେ କହିପାରିବେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଆଜ୍ଞା ନମ୍ବର 5 ରେ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ଇଣ୍ଟରିମ୍ ବେଲ୍ କଥା ମୁଁ ପଚାରୁଛି ସାର୍ ଇଣ୍ଟରିମ୍ ବେଲ୍ ରେ କୋଉଠି କଣ୍ଡିସନ ଅଛି 5 ଲାખ ବୋଲି
ଇଣ୍ଟରିମ୍ ବେଲ୍ ସେଇ କେସରେ ପଛରେ ହେଲା 6960 ରେ ପଛରେ ହେଲା ଇଣ୍ଟରିମ୍ ବେଲ୍ ଟା ସେଇପାଇଁ ସେଟା 2023 ରେ ହେଲା ଇଣ୍ଟରିମ୍ ବେଲ୍
15 ଲକ୍ଷ ଟା 5 ଲକ୍ଷ ଗଲେ 15 ଲକ୍ଷ ଟା କେବେ ହେଇଥିଲା
15 ଲକ୍ଷ ହେଇଥିଲା 3/9/2021
ସେପ୍ଟେମ୍ବରରେ total allegation against this petitioner is how much
61911
total ଆପଣ ଯୋଉ ତିନିଟା ବେଲ୍ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ନା ଦିଟା ବେଲ୍ କରିଛନ୍ତି ଏପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ
4ଟା ବେଲ୍ କରୁଛି
ଚାରିଟା ବେଲ୍
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ସେ another problem ସେ ଆଉ ଦିଟା ତାମାନେ ଅଛି ସେ ନମ୍ବର କେତେ sir just imagine how a court will understand ଆପଣ ନିଜେ କନଫ୍ୟୁଜ ହେଇଗଲେଣି
6961 ଗୋଟେ
ହଁ 6961
ଆଜ୍ଞା that was this
ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ନମ୍ବର କେତେ of the year
of the year 2021
ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ
another that was granted by the district session judge
ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ରେ କେତେଟା ବେଲ୍ ଅଛି
ହାଇକୋର୍ଟରେ 3ଟା ସେଥିରେ 5,000 କ୍ୟାଶ ସିକ୍ୟୁରିଟି ହେଇଥିଲା ଦେଇକି ସେ ବାହାରି ଯାଇଛନ୍ତି ସେଥିରେ ରିଲିଜ ଲାଗିଯାଇଛି ଆଲିଗେସନ 6,500 ଥିଲା 5,000 କ୍ୟାଶ ସିକ୍ୟୁରିଟି ହେଇଛି
ତିନିଟା ଯାକ କେସ୍ ରେ ଟୋଟାଲ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଡିଫାଲକେଟେଡ ଆମାଉଣ୍ଟ କେତେ ଡିଫାଲକେଟେଡ ଆମାଉଣ୍ଟ
ଏଇଥିରେ ଅଛି 37,000 ସେଥିରେ 40,000 ଇଏ 20 lakhs କରୁଛନ୍ତି
37,000 ନା lakhs
37,000 ଯେମିତି
37,000 ହଉଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଆମାଉଣ୍ଟ ଅଫ ଡିଫଲକେସନ
in the present case
only 37,000
only 37
ଆଉ ତାହେଲେ ଦେଇଦେଲେନି ପଇସା ତାଙ୍କୁ ଫେରେଇ ଦଉନାହାନ୍ତି ଏଠି କାହିଁକି 15 ଲକ୍ଷ ଟଙ୍କା କ୍ୟାଶ ସିକ୍ୟୁରିଟି ଦେବା ପାଇଁ ଅର୍ଡର ନେଇଛନ୍ତି ଯଦି ଜଣେ ଲୋକ 37,000 ଆପଣଠୁ ଡ୍ୟୁ ଅଛି ତାକୁ ଦେଇଦେଲେନି
ସେଥିରେ 80,000 ଟଙ୍କା ତାର ଡ୍ୟୁ ଅଛି ସିଏ କହୁଛି ମୁଁ ଅଲଗା ଗ୍ରୁପ ମାନଠୁ ନେଇଛି ସେଇଟାକୁ ଯୋଡି ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଅଲଗା ଗ୍ରୁପ ର କିଛି ଆଲିଗେସନ ନାହିଁ ଆନାରେ
ମୁଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କ କଥାଟା ମୁଁ ବୁଝିପାରୁନି ଆପଣ
FIR
15 ଲକ୍ଷ ଟଙ୍କାର ଅର୍ଡର ଟଲରେଟ୍ କଲେ କ୍ୟାଶ ସିକ୍ୟୁରିଟି 15 ଲକ୍ଷ ଟଙ୍କା କ୍ୟାଶ ସିକ୍ୟୁରିଟି 10 ଲକ୍ଷ ପ୍ରପର୍ଟି ସିକ୍ୟୁରିଟି 5 ଲକ୍ଷ
5 ଲକ୍ଷ
10 ଲକ୍ଷ 5 ଲକ୍ଷ ନୁହଁ 15 ଲକ୍ଷ କ୍ୟାଶ 10 ଲକ୍ଷ ଆପଣ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଦବାକୁ ଅଛି 37,000 ଦଉନାହାନ୍ତି କାହିଁକି
6911 ନାଇଁ ତା ଆକାଉଣ୍ଟ ଫ୍ରି ହେଇଯାଇଛି
ଆକାଉଣ୍ଟ ଫ୍ରିଜ୍ ହେଇଛି କଣ ହେଇଛି ଆପଣ ସେଟା କୋଉଠୁ ଆଣିକି ଦେଇଦେବେ ଧାର ଉଧାର କରି
ସେଇପାଇଁ କୋର୍ଟରେ ଇଣ୍ଟରିମ୍ ବେଲ୍ ଦେଇଥିଲେ କୋର୍ଟ ଜାଗା
ଆପଣ ସେଟା କୋର୍ଟରେ ଫାଇଲ କରିଥାନ୍ତେ ଯେ ଆଜ୍ଞା ପେଡ୍ ବ୍ୟାକ୍ 37,000 କଣ ଲେଖିଲେ? The yes, Mr. Standing Counsel, what is the way out of this?
Not getting it actually clearly.
ହଁ ନାଇଁ କଣ ଡାଉଟ୍ ଆପଣ ପଚାରିନାହାନ୍ତି ମୁଁ କହିଦେବି। ସାର୍ଙ୍କୁ ତ ବୁଝେଇ ସାରିଲିଣି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ। ସାର୍ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଲାଷ୍ଟ କହିଲେଣି ଯେ ତାଙ୍କର ଟୋଟାଲ 37,000 ଟଙ୍କା ଡ୍ୟୁ ଅଛି। ଯୋଉ ଯିଏ କେସ୍ କରିଛି ତାର ଗୋଟେ 37,000 ଟଙ୍କା ଡ୍ୟୁ ଅଛି। And the coordinate, there are two coordinate benches. I am the third judge.
Yes.
In one case, the cash security of 15 lakhs, property of 10 lakhs for 37,000 କହୁଛନ୍ତି। ମୁଁ ବୁଝିପାରୁନି କଣ ସେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି। ତାହେଲେ କାହିଁ ଜଣେ ଦବ ମାନେ 25 ଲକ୍ଷ ଟଙ୍କାର ଜଣେ 37,000 ଟଙ୍କା ଧାର ପାଇଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଡାଉଟ୍ କଣ ଅଛି କହିଲେ ମିଷ୍ଟର ଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଡିଂ କାଉନସିଲ?
ଏଇ କେସଟାର କେବେ ସରିଲେ ଏଥିରେ 6911 I'm not getting actually clear picture.
6911 କ୍ଲିୟର ପିକ୍ଚର କୋଉଟା ଆପଣ କଣ ଡାଉଟ୍ ରହୁଛି?
କେବେ ଯାଇଥିଲେ କଣ କେବେ ଏକ୍ସଟେନସନ ମାନେ କେବେ ସରେଣ୍ଡର କଲେ କେବେ ଗଲେ କ୍ଲିୟର ଜଣା ପଡୁନି କିଛି।
ଅର୍ଡରଟା ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଦେଇ ଦେଇଥିଲି ସିନା ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ। ସେ ଅର୍ଡରଟା ଆସିଥିଲା ନା?
Yes, sir.
ନା ଲେଟରଟା ନା କଣ ଗୋଟେ ଦେଖିନଥିଲେ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ? ନହେଲେ ଆପଣ
Yes.
କେମିତି ଜାଣିବେ? ଆପଣ ବି ବୁଝିପାରିବେନି କଣ ହେଇଛି ଘଟଣା।
ସେଇ କଥା
6911
69 ଅଛି ଅର୍ଡରଟା ଅଛି। ରିପୋର୍ଟଟା ଲାଷ୍ଟ ଅର୍ଡରଟା 3 PM ପରେ ଯୋଉ ଅର୍ଡରଟା ହେଇଛି 3 PM ର ଅର୍ଡରଟା ସେ ଅର୍ଡରଟା ନାହିଁ ମୋ ପାଖରେ।
ଆପଣ ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି ଫିଜିକାଲ ଫାଇଲଟା ଦେଇଥିଲେ ପରା।
I'll take it.
ଆପଣଙ୍କର ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ସବମିଶନ କଣ? What is your submission? ଆପଣ ପଢନ୍ତୁ ପ୍ଲିଜ ଡୋଣ୍ଟ ଗେଟ୍ ଡିଷ୍ଟର୍ବ ବିକଜ ଇଟ୍ ଇଜ ସୋ what you call ମାନେ convoluted or so
In the
complex.
particular case, he is in custody since 21/7/21.
କେମିତି ଆପଣ ପରା ବୁଲୁଥିଲେ ଆପଣ ପରା କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଏବେ ସୋମବାର ଦିନ 11 ତାରିଖ ଦିନ କଷ୍ଟଡିକୁ ଯାଇଛନ୍ତି ଇଣ୍ଟରିମ୍ ବେଲରେ।
ଇଣ୍ଟରିମ୍ ବେଲ୍ 2 ମାସ ହେଇଥିଲା କିନ୍ତୁ ରହିଲେନି ସେ 2.5 ବର୍ଷ ରହିଲେନି।
ସେ ତାର କଣ ରେଲିଭାନ୍ସ ଅଛି କହିଲେ? ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଅଲଗା ଅଲଗା କେସ୍ ଅଲଗା ଅଲଗା ଜଜ। ମୁଁ କଣ ଡାଇରେକ୍ସନ ଦେବି ଯେ ଆଉ ହାଇକୋର୍ଟରେ ଆଉ କେହି ଜଜ ବେଲ୍ ଟେକଅପ୍ କରିବେନି ନା କଣ? ଇଜ ଇଟ୍ ଏ ପସିବିଲିଟି? You see, he is facing 3 separate
Yes.
allegations, accusations, 3 separate affairs. Bail petitions are different. And bail petitions are different and taken up by roster benches. ସେଥିରେ ବି ଡିଫିକଲ୍ଟି ନାହିଁ ଏଥିରେ ପ୍ରଧାନ ଜାନି ଆପ୍ଲିକେବଲ ନୁହଁ କାହିଁକିନା ଅଲଗା ଅଲଗା କେସ୍। ସୋ ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେରେ ଇଣ୍ଟରିମ୍ ବେଲ୍ ଗ୍ରାଣ୍ଟ ହେଲା ଆପଣ ଗଲେନି, ଆରଟାରେ ଇଣ୍ଟରିମ୍ ବେଲ୍ ଗ୍ରାଣ୍ଟ ହେଲା ତାର ମାନେ ବର୍ଷେ 1.5 ବର୍ଷ ପରେ 1.5 ବର୍ଷ ପରେ ଗୋଟେ କେସରେ ଗ୍ରାଣ୍ଟ ହେଲା ପରେ ଆପଣ ମୁଭ୍ କରି ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଇଣ୍ଟରିମ୍ ବେଲ୍ ଗ୍ରାଣ୍ଟ ହେଲା। ତା କଣ୍ଡିସନ କମ୍ପ୍ଲାଏ କଲେନି, ସେଥିରେ ଅଛି 15 ଲକ୍ଷ ଟଙ୍କା କ୍ୟାଶ।
କ୍ୟାଶ ଗୋଟେ 5 ଲକ୍ଷ ହେଇଛି ରିଡ୍ୟୁସ ହେଇକି।
ଶୁଣିବେନି ତ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ଆଉ କଣ କରିବେ, ନା ବୁଝିବେ ନା ଶୁଣିବେ, ଭୁଲ ଭାଲ ଆଫିଡେଭିଟ ଦେବେ। 15 ଲକ୍ଷ ଟଙ୍କା ହେଲା 10 ଲକ୍ଷ ଆପଣ ଫେରେ ଆଇଏ ଫାଇଲ କଲେ 15 ଲକ୍ଷଟା 5 ଲକ୍ଷ ହେଲା ଆଉ 10 ଲକ୍ଷଟା ମଡିଫାଏ ହେଇନି,
ନା ସେ ପ୍ରପର୍ଟି ସିକ୍ୟୁରିଟି ଅଛି।
ପ୍ରପର୍ଟି ରହିଲା 10 ଲକ୍ଷ ପ୍ରପର୍ଟି ସିକ୍ୟୁରିଟି। ଇଣ୍ଟରେଷ୍ଟିଂ ହଉଛି 30 ଦିନରେ ଦିସ୍ କୋର୍ଟ କୋଅର୍ଡିନେଟ ବେଞ୍ଚ has directed Learned counsel appearing for the state on the other hand has no objection in the event the petitioner returns the money to the complainant then he may be released on bail. ଏଟା ମୁଁ ବି ପଢି ନଥିଲି, ଆପଣଙ୍କ ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ଡିସ୍କସନ କରି କରି ମୁଁ ପଢି ଯାଉଛି ବିକଜ ଆଇ ଏମ୍ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଇଜ ନଟ୍ ମାଇ ଆରଟା 6960 ମୋ ପାଖରେ ନାହିଁ ଏବେ, ଆଇ କାଣ୍ଟ ଟେକ୍ ଅପ୍ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ମ୍ୟାଟର ଅଲସୋ। ବଟ୍ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ହେଲା ଯେ ଆପଣ ତ ସେଟାକୁ ବି ସାଟିସ୍ଫାଏ କରୁଛନ୍ତି 37,000 ଅଛି, ଆଉ ଏଥିରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର 6 ତାରିଖରେ ବେଲ୍ ଏକ୍ସପାୟାର ହେଲା ଇଣ୍ଟରିମ୍ ବେଲ୍
6/12/23
6/23 ଏକ୍ସପାୟାର କରିଗଲା। ଆଉ ଏବେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି କଣ ଯେ ଆପଣ ମାନେ ଏବେ 6911 ରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପ୍ରେୟାର କଣ? ଟୁଡେ 6960 ଇଜ ନଟ୍ ଲିଷ୍ଟେଡ, ସେଟା ରେଫରେନ୍ସ ପାଇଁ ଆସିଛି। 6911 ରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପ୍ରେୟାର କଣ?
Release the petitioner bail on any terms and conditions.
That cannot be granted because other courts have not released you. Successive 2 different benches have not released you.
Release
And you are saying for 37,000 You are tolerating a cash security of 5 lakhs, property security of 10 lakhs.
Other two cases were
ଆପଣ
granted.
ସେଟା comply କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ. There is a order by a coordinate bench 6960 paragraph 3.
Well,
That is a submission of the state council. Here the state council will also agree to that. पैसा फेरी देवे तापर बिल मूव करंतु. Are you having a copy of 6960? ना sorry 6911.
yes.
देखु नांती paragraph 6 रे कोन अछि? I don't think they will object.
अच्छा बर्तन सरेंडर ना बाहर भीतर ना बाहर
Bitter.
ଭିତରେ ବି କେମିତି କୋଉ ସେ କହିଲେ ଯେ 6911 रिपोर्ट देले ଆମେ ଦେଖିଲୁ 6960 extend ହେଇଗଲା. So that's a mistake on the face of it. It
Yes.
cannot be. Because you also say that. At least the bar agrees to that. The 6960 order cannot be applicable to 6911.
11
GR and PS case number are different. ସେ ତ ତାକୁ ଛାଡି ଦେଇଥିଲେ ଫେରେ କେମିତି ଗଲେ ମୁଁ ବି ସେଟା ବୁଝିପାରୁନି. ଆମ ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ କହୁଛି ଛାଡା ହେଇଛନ୍ତି ବୋଲି.
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ କଣ ହେଇଛି ସେ 6960 ରେ ଯୋଉ ଇଣ୍ଟରିମ୍ ବେଲଟା ଯୋଉ ଏକ୍ସପାୟାର କରି ଯାଇଥିଲା ସେ 69 ସେମାନେ ତା ଦେହରେ ଗୋଟେ ଇଣ୍ଟରିମ୍ ଦେଇକି ନେଇଛି
ଚିଠିର ହେଡିଂଟା ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଫ୍ଲାଗ ପେଜ ସେଟା 6911.
6911 ଧରିଛି
6911 extend ହେଇନି 6 ତାରିଖ ଲାଷ୍ଟ
ନାଇଁ
କରିଛି.
6911 6960
6960 ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଆସିନି. ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନି 6960 କଣ.
69 ସେଇଟାକୁ ସେଇଟା ସେ ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ରିପୋର୍ଟଟା
ସେଟା ଜଣେ ଜଜ୍ ନା ଅଲଗା ଅଲଗା ଜଜ୍?
Other coordinate
ଗୋଟେ-
benches.
ତାହେଲେ ସେ ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଆସିନି.
ନାଇଁ ଟ୍ରାଏଲ କୋର୍ଟ
ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ତଳ ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନଟା ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ତଳ ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନଟା ଯୋଉଟା ଆସିଛି
କଣ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ଏନ୍ ନା ଏମ୍ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ଉପରେ?
ଏନ୍ଟା
ଏନ୍ଟା ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଉପରେ ହେଡିଂ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ.
ହେଡିଂଟା ହଉଛି ସେ ଆର କେସଟାରେ 6960
ଆରେ ନାଇଁ ଆଜ୍ଞା ପଢୁନାହାନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ବି ମାନେ ଇନଫ୍ଲୁଏନ୍ସ ହେଇଗଲେଣି ଆଉ. ହେଡିଂଟା ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ସବଜେକ୍ଟ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଟିକେ ଆଜ୍ଞା.
6961 ପଡି ଯାଇଛି ନମ୍ବରଟା ଭୁଲ ପକେଇ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି
ନାଇଁ, ଭୁଲ.
ଏଟାରେ
ଆରେ ଆପଣ ଅର୍ଡରଟା ଆପଣ ସବଜେକ୍ଟ ଏପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ବି ପଢୁନାହାନ୍ତି ତଳ ଆଡୁ ପଢିବା ଆରମ୍ଭ କରନ୍ତୁ.
ସବଜେକ୍ଟଟା ପଡୁଛି
ପଢନ୍ତୁ ହଁ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ କଣ ଲେଖା
ସବଜେକ୍ଟରେ
ହେଇଛି. ହଁ
ଜିଆର କେସ୍ ଆଉ ଯୋଉଟା ପଡିଛି ସେଟା ନଟ୍ କରସ୍ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ ଟୁ 6911 ସେମାନେ ଭୁଲ ପକେଇଛନ୍ତି ସେଟା
that may be the number may be a mistake.
ୟେସ୍
But ଆପଣ ଯୋଉ ଚିଠିଟା ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ମାଗିଛି କଣ ଏମିତି ଭୁଲ କରିବେ?
ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଜିଆର କେସ୍ ନମ୍ବର ଷ୍ଟାଟସ୍ ଅଫ ସଞ୍ଜିତ କୁମାର ପରିଡ଼ା ଜିଆର କେସ୍ ନମ୍ବର 847
ଲାଷ୍ଟ ଲାଇନଟା ଆପଣ ପଢୁନାହାନ୍ତି. ସେଇଥିରେ as directed by the Hon'Ble High Court of Orissa, videos order dated 11/12/23, BLAPL 6911.
ହଁ ସେଥିରେ ଷ୍ଟାଟସ୍ ମାଗିଛନ୍ତି BL
ଟା କିଛି ସେଇଥିରେ ତ ଆପଣ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ସେ ଅର୍ଡର ବି 11/12 ଅର୍ଡର ରେ ପୁରା ଜିଆର କେସ୍ ନମ୍ବର ଏଭ୍ରିଥିଙ୍ଗ ଇଜ କ୍ଲିୟର.
ୟେସ୍ ମ୍ୟାଡ଼ାମ
ଭୁଲ କଣ ହେଲା କେମିତି ହବ?
ଓହୋ ସେ ଷ୍ଟାଟସ୍ ମାଗିଛନ୍ତି ମାନେ ରେଫର
ସେ ପୁରା ଅର୍ଡର ଠିକ ଅଛି.
ନା ଠିକ ଅଛି
ତ ସିଏ ଆଉ ଏଥିରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଜିଆର ନମ୍ବର ହଉଛି ବାଦାମବାଡି ପିଏ 199, ଜିଆର ନମ୍ବର 935.
930 ସେଥିରେ ସେମାନେ ଏକ୍ସଟେନସନ ନେଇଯାଇଛନ୍ତି
ସେଥିରେ ନୁହଁ ଏଥିରେ
6960 ରେ I think they have got the extension
6960 they have got the extension, but that has been taken care in 6911.
डेट चार्ट फाइल कर सॉरी
In a heavy board, you have to spend time like this. Non-productive. This is non-productive.
କହିଲେ clearly କହିଲେ everything will be ମାନେ
Same, I think, I don't know what has happened to him.
ଆଦାୟ କରିବା that is difficult, but it is difficult to get back something from him. That is the problem my lord we are facing. ठीक से କହିଲେ ସିନା ଯାଅ
pursuant to the order number 5 dated 11/12/2023. Pursuant to by order dated order number 5 dated 11/12/2023. Sorry, 11/12/2023. At paragraph 7 and 8. 7, 8 and 9, the following was directed. 7, 8, 9 quote kar dele. Appearance like Mr. Prabir Kumpiker, Mr. Standing Counsel. In response to the said order that was communicated through the registry of this court, the JMFC into bracket city Cuttack has forwarded the instruction by letter number 1139 dated 12/12/2023, marked as flag M, and the JMFC into bracket UTP court Cuttack has forwarded letter number 7110 of 12/12/2023 addressed to the Registrar Judicial, which is also taken on which is also on record marked as flag N. Sub para. Next para karantu. Sub para no next para. The letter from the JMFC into bracket city Cuttack refers to the BL-APL number 6911 of 2021, which is the present case. That arises also that pertains to Badambadi PS case number 199 of 2021, corresponding to GR case number 935 of 2021. However, the learned JMFC City Cuttack has referred to GR number 847 of 2021, Badambadi PS case number 178 of 2021. ଆମେ ଯୋଉ ଅବସ୍ଥା ତାଙ୍କର ସେଇ ଅବସ୍ଥା ହେଇଛି ଆଉ କଣ କରିବା. Though the BL-APL pending before the High Court is correctly referred to, that is BL-APL number 6911 of 2021. Mr. Rai, ଆପଣଙ୍କର BL ଆପଣ GR number ଭୁଲ ଭାଲ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି କି ବେଲ୍ ପିଟିସନ ରେ? ଠିକ ଅଛି ତ? ପିଟିସନ ଟାଇଟଲ ଲେଖିଲେ ନା GR ନମ୍ବର ଯାହା ପାରା 1 ରେ ବି ଆପଣ ଟିକେ ପେଜ ଗୁଡାକ ଦେଖୁଥାନ୍ତୁ ମିଷ୍ଟର ଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଡିଂ କାଉନସିଲ. ଆପଣ ପେଜ ଦେଖୁଥାନ୍ତୁ ନହେଲେ ଭୁଲଭାଲ ହେଇଯିବ ଫେର. ବାଦାମବାଡି 199 18721 ଆଉ GR ନମ୍ବର 935. The registrar shall request the JMFC City Cuttack to provide the instruction in GR number 935 of 2021 arising out of Badambadi PS case number 199 of 2021, dated 18/7/21, which pertains to BL-APL number 6911 of 2021. Then another paragraph. The JMFC into bracket UTP court, Cuttack, by letter number 7110 dated 12/12/2023, has referred to has indicated thus. Flag N re subject लिखिए. Status of accused Sanjit Kumar Parija in GR number ete pura subject up to BL-APL number 6911 of 2021. ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ସପାରା ଲେଖିବେ. Apparently, the BL-APL number 6911 of 2021 does not pertain to GR case number 847 of 2021, arising out of Badambadi PS case number 178 of 36/2021. The order dated 11/12/2023 passed by this court in BL-APL number the order text The order dated BL-APL number 6911 of 2021 clearly indicates that it pertains to GR case number 935 of 2021, arising out of Badambadi PS case number 199 of 2021. Hello. In view of the above discrepancy, if so advise the learned registrar judicial may discuss personally with both the learned JMFC UTP court Cuttack and the learned JMFC to bracket city Cuttack, and shall obtain fresh status reports in GR number 847 of 2021 into bracket Badambadi out of Badambadi PS case number 178 of 178 of 2021, and also GR case number 935 of 2021, arising out of Badambadi PS case number 199 of 2021. A chronological date, a chronological sequence of the orders passed and the interim bail granted in both the cases shall be provided separately, as they pertain to two different bail petitions that is pending in this court, that is BL-APL number 6911 of 2021, pertaining to GR case number 935 of 2021, arising out of Badambadi PS case number 199 of 2021. Then Sapara, the other BL-APL semicolon deki Sapara kar diyo. The other BL-APL is 6960 of 2021. Pertaining to GR case number 847 of 2021, arising out of Badambadi PS case number 178 of 2021, dated 36/2021. The learned district judge Cuttack shall also, district and session judge Cuttack is also requested to look into the matter and clarify the and clarify. Look into the matter so that it gets clarified. List on 15, 12, 20, 23. For orders. The registry shall do the needful to communicate the orders to all concerned. To the register judicial, the district and session judge Cuttack, the JMFC, the learned register judicial, learned district judge Cuttack, learned JMFC city, JMFC into bracket city Cuttack, and learned JMFC into bracket UTP court Cuttack. Para. It is stated by the learned counsel for the petitioner that the petitioner was taken into custody by order dated
My order 11/12/2023.
11/12/2023. In
GR
problem
in GR 395.
again by which court, sir? By which court that not specify karantu?
UTP JMFC UTP.
कौन लिखले by order dated 11/12/2023 टी केस नंबर टा कहबे
हाँ
GR
GR 935
GR 935
2021
935 of 2021 arising out of Badambadi PS case number 199 of 2021 in the file of JMFC into
UTP.
bracket UTP Cuttack. Your name, sir?
प्रमोद चंद्र सेजपड़ा
Pramod Chandra
सेजपड़ा CJPAD
Sejpada. Pada nuho, pada. P Sejpada on behalf of you Barik for the
Umakant Barik.
petitioner. U. Barik for the petitioner. The learned counsel for the adjournment is sought for on behalf of the learned counsel
No,
for the
adjournment.
petitioner. Adjournment चाहुनांती.
अर्जेंटमेंट my lord. sorry
So we are not, we are as good as the JMFC. ମାନେ ଆପଣ ଏବେ ଅଛନ୍ତି ତ ଏଥିରେ ମାନେ you are back to the ଇଏ ଠିକ ଅଛି. Adjournment is sought for on behalf of the learned counsel for the petitioner due to personal difficulty. As prayed for list on
PC सेजपड़ा
list on PC says पढ़ा हवन.
उमाकांत
Month date हवन. As prayed for list on 11 January 2024 to grant further opportunity to the petitioner. The learned standing counsel submits that the case diary is available. Today at least Mr. Barik is in form.
my lord.
promotion है
Eh?
promotion
What promotion पाइगले? Eh? अच्छा अच्छा. ये जो काली जो DPC ही तला. Well, still he's a lion-hearted person. He has accepted that. Yes. Yes, please. Mr. Vishnu Brata Singh, Mr. for the petitioner, Mr. Standing Counsel for the state. What do you want, sir?
My lord, yeah.
BB Singh taku kale swai hai gele. It is Singh se actually.
My lord, here in this case,
Kindly just speak to the microphone, sir.
My lord,
Uthi din to group.
allegation order section 395 and 319. My lord,
Yes.
my lord, the allegation is that
395 mane
dacoity.
dacoity. Ali past dechanti.
yes
My lord, antecedent
Past antecedents dechanti affidavit.
already filed. My lord.
yes
Flag him.
My lord.
That is matching.
Yes, matching. But
Oh.
including one,
You are a celebrity, sir.
including one 302 case. My lord.
You are a celebrity kind of, you have developed in the profession to grow up to kind of a
The
celebration,
nature of
celebrity status. And you have started in 2012, we are in 2023,
Madam.
11 years.
and the nature, my lord,
And you in 2012, 302, then 295 in 2015. Very consistent. 295, section 307, 25, 27.
Juda item 2 that
In,
387. sir.
in any of these bail,
All are
in any of these cases, you have been granted bail with a condition that you will continue.
No, my lord,
Continue the activity.
the last
So no
antecedent-
condition is by the court. No, that liberty is not granted to you. So you have violated it.
No, my lord, the last antecedent is in the year 2019.
Yes,
Thereafter-
only so till
thereafter-
19 to 23.
my lord,
By 19, how much incarceration you had faced in
My lord,
2019? କେତେ ବର୍ଷ ରହି ସାରିଥିଲେ? 2019 ରେ କାହିଁକି ଆପଣ 302 ରେ 2012 ରେ ଆପଣ 11 ରୁ ଆରମ୍ଭ କଲେ 12 ରେ ଦେଇଥିଲେ ମାନେ 302
My lord.
ଆପଣ 19 ଯାଏ ଥିବେ substantial period, so that has cooled you down, that has helped you.
In all the cases, as per the information, he has granted bail. My lord.
Exactly. Does any court impose a condition, has imposed a condition that you will have to enjoy the liberty to continue in the similar activity?
No, my lord.
So then you have violated on the face of it. You have violated the condition on the face of it.
My lord, only after 2019, my
19
lord, he
23 ରେ କଣ କଲେ? 23 ରେ ଏଟା ଡାକଇଟି ଆଉଥରେ କଲେ.
my lord, ନାଇଁ 19 ପରେ ଆଉ କିଛି ଇଏ କଲେ ଛାଡି ଦେଇଥିଲା
ହଁ.
and engaged himself in brick business, my lord.
କୋଭିଡ ଥିଲା ଟିକେ ରେଷ୍ଟ୍ରିକ୍ଟ ହେଇଗଲେ ଘରେ.
My lord,
କୋଭିଡ ତାଙ୍କୁ ସେ କୋଭିଡ ପଜିଟିଭ ହେଇଥାଇ ପାରନ୍ତି. କୋଭିଡ
ନାଇଁ,
saved him. Initially the incarceration saved him. Then COVID saved him.
my lord, COVID period ଭିତରେ he engaged himself in brick business.
ସେତେବେଳେ ଚାଲୁ ନଥିଲା. Collapsed.
ମାନେ,
COVID
ସେ-
ରେ construction and brick
ତାପରେ,
stand
just,
collapsed.
after the over of the year and during the COVID period he was silent, my lord, and since the informant is a big factory owner, in him 50,000 rupees to supply the bricks, but the brick factory owner, the informant, did not neither supply the bricks nor return the money, for which he had gone to ask the
ବୁଝିପାରିଲିନି ଆପଣ
my lord.
ଆପଣ ପା ନିଜେ ଇଟା ତିଆରି କଲେ?
My lord,
ସାର୍ ସେ ଯୋଉ ଆପଣଙ୍କ କ୍ଲାଏଣ୍ଟ ପରା ଇଟା ତିଆରି କଲେ?
the client nahi, she informant ହଉଛି brick factory owner.
ଆପଣ ଯୋଉ COVID
ମୁଁ ତା ପାଖରେ ବିଜନେସ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଇଏ କରିଥିଲି, କଣ୍ଟାକ୍ଟ କଲି,
ଆପଣ ତାଠୁ ଇଟା ଆଣିକି ବିକୁଥିଲେ ଲୁଜ ରେ?
ଇଟା ଆଣିକି ବିକୁଥିଲି। ଏବେ ଯେହେତୁ
ବାଲି
ତାର
ଇଟା
ଟ୍ରାକ୍
ବାଲି-
ରେକର୍ଡ ଖରାପ ଅଛି, ସିଏ ତାକୁ ଇଏ କଲା ଯେ ମତେ ଆଗ ପଇସା ଦବୁ, ମୁଁ ତାପରେ ଦେବି ଇଟା। ସିଏ 50,000 ଟଙ୍କା ତାକୁ ଦେଇଥିଲା। Neither he supplied the bricks.
You want to say that the brick clean owner is a bigger criminal than you? He threatened you?
No,
or
no,
what?
my lord, I don't like to say that, my
Then
lord.
କଣ ତା ଅର୍ଥ ସେ ମୁଁ ତ
No.
ଇଟାରେ ବି କନଫ୍ୟୁଜ ହେଇଗଲି ଯେ
ସେଇଟା
ଆପଣ ବି ଇଟା ସିଏ ବି ଇଟା
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ପଇସା କାହିଁକି ଆପଣ ଦେଲେ? ଆପଣ ସିଏ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଇଟା କିଣିବା କଥା, ତାପରେ ଆପଣ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ନାଇଁ ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୁଁ ଇଟା କିଣୁଥିଲି ତାଠୁ ଆଣିକି
ହଁ,
ମାନେ
he is the informant,
Hon'Ble
is the
ଟାରେ
brick
ଯେତିକି ପଇସା-
factory owner.
ତ ମାନେ very ମାନେ skeptical situation.
No, my lord,
ଆପଣ ବଡ ବଡ କ୍ରାଇମ କଲା ପରେ
my lord.
ତାପରେ ଯାହାଠୁ ଆପଣ
on the-
ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ
on-
ଆପଣ କଣ ହେଲା କହିଲେ ଆପଣ ଇଟାରେ ମାର୍ଜିନ ଖଣ୍ଡକରେ କେତେ ଟଙ୍କାଟେ ଥିବ, 5 ଟଙ୍କା ଥିବ, ଆପଣ କଣ କଲେ ଏଣ୍ଟାୟାର ମାର୍ଜିନ ଟା କଲେ ଯେ ମୁଁ ଫ୍ରି ଇଟା ନେବି, ତ ସେଇଟା ହିଁ
No, 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 my lord. That's why he has given 50,000 rupees in advance, which neither he
FIR ଟା ପଢିଲେ,
edited nor
FIR ଟା
supplied the bricks, my lord.
ଏଫଆଇଆର ଟା ପଢିଲ ସେ ଆପଣ ତା ନାଁରେ ଏଫଆଇଆର ଦେଇଥାନ୍ତେ।
My
ମୁଁ
lord.
ତ ସେୟା କହିଲି।
What made
ଆଉ
you assault, my lord?
My-
ନାଇଁ, ନାଇଁ,
And,
ସେଟା-
and injury is there.
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ସେଟା ନୁହଁ,
Well,
ସେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ହିଜ ଏ ବିଗର କ୍ରିମିନାଲ, ସେ
Yes.
ମନା କଲା ମତେ ଦବା ପାଇଁ। ମୋର 11 ବର୍ଷ ହେରୁ ମୁଁ 2012 ରୁ ଆମେ ହିଷ୍ଟ୍ରି ସିଟର 302 ଅଛି, ସେ ମତେ କହିଲା ଯେ ଦେବିନି ବୋଲି, ମାନେ କହିଲେ କଣ ଯାହା କଣ କରିବୁ କର, ଏ କହିଦିଅ ତାପରେ ଆପଣ ଯାହା କରିବା କଥା କରିଦେବେ ଆଉ।
I was not there, my lord.
Hmm.
Whatever it may be, he has gone to his clean to ask that either to return money or
ଆଉ
to
5-6 ଜଣ ଆସୋସିଏଟ କଣ,
my lord.
ଆଉ 5 ଜଣ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଆସୋସିଏଟ ସେମାନେ କୋଉଠୁ ଆସିଲେ? ସେ କଣ ଇଟା ମୁଣ୍ଡାନ୍ତି ନା କଣ?
No,
ପୁଲି।
ସେଇ ତ ଯେତେବେଳେ 2-3 ଥର ମନା କଲା ତାକୁ କି ଏପଟ ସେପଟ କଥା କହିଲା,
ଆପଣ
ସେ
ତା
3-4
ନାଁରେ
ଜଣ ସାଙ୍ଗକୁ ନେଇକି ଯାଇଛି।
ଆପଣ ଏପଟ ସେପଟ କଥା କହିଲେ, ଆପଣ ଏଫଆଇଆର ଦେଇଥିଲେ କି ସେଟା କେତେ ଥର
No,
ପଚାରିବି?
no, ma'am.
ଆଉ ତାହେଲେ ୟୁ ହାଭ୍ ଟେକନ୍ ଲ ଇନଟୁ ୟୁର ଓନ୍ ହ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ।
just ତାକୁ ବାଡିଆ ପିଟା ବି କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି
ନାଇଁ,
କେବଳ ଠେଲା ପେଲାରେ ସେ
ଆପଣ ଟିକେ
ପଡିଛି,
ଆପଣ ଟିକେ ଏଫଆଇଆର ଟା ପଢନ୍ତୁ।
my lord.
ସିଏ କହିଲେ ଇଟା ତ ଇଟା ଆଉ 5 ଲକ୍ଷ ଟଙ୍କା ଦବ, ଗୋଲ୍ଡ
ହଁ,
ଚେନ୍ ନେଇଗଲେ,
My lord, one of the
ଆଉ ଲକ୍ଷେ ଟଙ୍କା ବି ନେଇଗଲେ।
one of the nephew of the informant, my lord, he had also
ବରଂ
stated,
ତାକୁ ତାଙ୍କ ଲେବର ରେସ୍କ୍ୟୁ କରିଛନ୍ତି। ଆପଣ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଲେବର ନେଇକି ତାଙ୍କୁ ଧମକେଇଲେ, ତାଙ୍କୁ ତାଙ୍କ ଲେବର ରେସ୍କ୍ୟୁ କଲେ।
ନାଇଁ ତାର ଗୋଟେ ଭଣଜା ସିଏ ଇଏ କରିଛି, ସିଏ ବି ଷ୍ଟେଟମେଣ୍ଟ ଦେଇଛି 161 ମାନେ 50,000 ଟଙ୍କା ଆଗରୁ ନେଇଛନ୍ତି, ତାମାନେ ହି ନୋଜ ଦ୍ୟାଟ, ତା ଭଣଜା ବି ଜାଣିଛି 50,000 ଟଙ୍କା ବିଷୟରେ।
ଆପଣ ୟୁ ହାଭ୍ ଟୁ ସପୋର୍ଟ ଦ, ଯେତେ ଖରାପ ଲୋକ ହେଲେ ବି ତାକୁ ସପୋର୍ଟ କରିବେ ନା ତା ଏଗେନଷ୍ଟରେ କହିବେ।
My lord.
ୟୁର ଡ୍ୟୁଟି ଇଜ ଟୁ କିପ୍ କ୍ୱାଇଟ୍, ଯୋଉଟା ଆପଣ ଏଗେନଷ୍ଟରେ ଥିବ। ୟୁ ମେ ନଟ୍ ଟେଲ୍ ଦ ଟ୍ରୁଥ, ବଟ୍ ୟୁ ହାଭ୍ ଟୁ ରିମେନ୍ କ୍ୱାଇଟ୍। ଆପଣ ଯୋଉଟା କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ଏଗେନଷ୍ଟ ଆର୍ଗୁମେଣ୍ଟ କରିଚାଲିଛନ୍ତି।
My lord,
କଣ ମିଳିବ ସେଥିରେ? ଯୋଉଟା କାହିଁ କହୁଛନ୍ତି, ଯୋଉଟା ଆମକୁ କଣ ମିଳିବ ସେଥିରେ?
falsely he is alleging that ମୋ 5 ଲକ୍ଷ ଟଙ୍କା ଡିମାଣ୍ଡ କଲା ଆଉ ମୋ ଚେନ୍ ଛଡେଇ ନେଲା,
ସେଟା
ଲକ୍ଷେ
ସାର୍,
ଟଙ୍କା ମୋ cash ନେଇଗଲା।
ସେଇଟା ବି ଟ୍ରାଭେଷ୍ଟି ଅଫ କଣ what you call travesty of life।
My lord.
ଆପଣ 12 ଥର ହିନିୟସ୍ କ୍ରାଇମ କଲା ପରେ ତାପରେ 13 ଟାଇମ ଆପଣ ଫଲ୍ସ କେସ୍
ଇଏ
କରିବେ।
ମାଇଣ୍ଡ ବେକଅପ୍ କରିଥିଲା ମୁଁ ଛାଡିଦେବି ଆଉ କରିବିନି, that's why my lord.
କଣ ସେ ମାଇଣ୍ଡ ମେକଅପ୍ କଲେଣି? What is your answer, Mr. Standing Counsel? ଛାଡିଦେବେ କହିଲେଣି?
My lord,
Only on the persuasion of his mother and
after being
ସେଇଟା ଆପଣ ଯାହା କହିଲେ ତାଙ୍କ ଏଗେନଷ୍ଟରେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ, ସିଏ ବି ତାଙ୍କ ଏଗେନଷ୍ଟରେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ।
that's why, my lord, after being released on bail by several occasions, my lord, he could able to, my lord, get acquittal in case, my lord, one case in 25 Tons Arms Act and get to able, my lord, disposed of on case on 2 cases on compromise. Both are
କେତେଟା
394.
କମ୍ପ୍ରୋମାଇଜ ହେଇଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କ କେସ୍ ଗୁଡାକରେ? ଆପଣଙ୍କ କେସରେ କେତେଟା କମ୍ପ୍ରୋମାଇଜ ହେଇଛି?
ମାନେ
How many cases have been compromised?
ଦିଟା କମ୍ପ୍ରୋମାଇଜ ହେଇଛି, ଗୋଟେ ଆକ୍ୱିଟାଲ ହେଇଛି।
307 भी compromise करते
ଇଏ ହବନି।
My lord, it is often my lord,
ସେ ତାଙ୍କର ମାନେ he requires, things are still worse. If somebody is drunken and he scolds, nobody complains against him because they don't have faith in policing, in the judiciary or in the law enforcement agency system. They think that nobody will ସେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ବାଡେଇଲେ ତା ପିଠିରେ କେହି ପଡିବେନି, ସେଇଟା ହଉଛି କଥା।
Exactly.
And it's a fact. It's a fact.
Women
Women are not complaining. Women are not complaining. Why? If we are there to protect everything, ଠିକ ଅଛି। ତ ଏଇଟା କଣ ଲାଇଭ ନଥିଲା ତ? ଠିକ ଅଛି। Arguments. As prayed for, list. 8 ଜାନୁଆରୀ ନା ପରେ କେବେ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି?
before vacation.
ଆଫିଡେଭିଟ୍ ସ୍ପେସିଫିକ ଦେବେ, ଦି ଜଣ ରିଲେସନ କର, ମାନେ କଣ କହିଲେ, ଲାଇକ ଫାଦର,
His mother and elder brother are ready to.
ମଦର, ଆଇ ଡୋଣ୍ଟ ଥିଙ୍କ ମଦର ୱିଲ୍ ବି ଦ ସିଓରିଟି।
My lord.
କେତେ ବୟସ ତାଙ୍କୁ?
Also, about 60 to 65.
Difficult for her.
The elder brother is there, my lord. He is also ready to.
ତାଙ୍କର ଇଲଜ କୋ ସାଇଡରୁ ଆଣୁନାହାନ୍ତି?
My lord.
ତାଙ୍କର ଇଲଜ କୋ ସାଇଡରୁ କାହାକୁ ଆଣୁନାହାନ୍ତି?
I said, he is
ଭାବନ୍ତୁ, ୟୁ ହାଭ୍ ଏ ମଚ୍ ବିଗର ଡ୍ୟୁଟି।
no, my lord. He is unmarried. The petitioner is unmarried.
ଆପଣ କଣ ସେ ରିଲେସନ ଭଳିଆ କହିଲେଣି? ସେ ସବୁ ତାଙ୍କର
ନାଇଁ
ରିଲେଟିଭ ନା କଣ?
ନାଇଁ ମୁଁ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ଆସିଥିଲେ ଆଫିଡେଭିଟ୍ ଦବାକୁ ମାନେ ଡିଟେଲ ତ ସେ କଥାବାର୍ତ୍ତା ହଉଥିଲି।
This will not work. କେତେ ଟଙ୍କା ଆପଣ ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ ନେବେ, କେତେ ଟଙ୍କାର କ୍ୟାଶ, କେତେ ଟଙ୍କାର ଇଏ, ବଟ୍ ଦିସ୍ ଇଜ ଓନ୍ଲି ୱିଥ୍ ଏ କଣ୍ଡିସନ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ 99% I will reject the bail.
My lord.
I'm just testing because definitely I'm concerned with somebody's
Only any
liberty.
condition, my lord.
Being a constitutional court, we are all concerned. But you see what is happening.
Exactly.
If
accident.
last 9 months, last ଯଦି ସେ ରିଲିଜ ନଥାନ୍ତେ, ଲୋକକୁ ସେ ମାରି ନଥାନ୍ତା 50,000 ଟଙ୍କା ପାଇଁ।
And
ଆପଣ ଆଣିପାରିବେ affidavit. Affidavit ମୁଁ ଅର୍ଡର କରିବିନି। I'm least concerned with any affidavit.
My lord.
But I'm encouraging you that be proactive, do something
Yes,
for the petitioner.
As quickly as within a week I shall file it.
ଆପଣ ଆକ୍ସିଡେଣ୍ଟ ଆଉ କିଛି ଜାଣିବାର ଅଛି ନା? କେସ୍ ଡାଏରୀ ଅଛି, ଅପ ଟୁ ଡେଟ୍ କେସ୍ ଡାଏରୀ ଅଛି। ଠିକ ଅଛି, ତାହେଲେ ଦେଖାଯାଉ। ଲିଷ୍ଟ ଅନ୍ 21, 12, 20, 23, 20, 12, 20, 23।
Okay. Thank you.
The learned standing counsel submits that case diary as well as is available and affidavit ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ records match କରୁଛି।
Yes.
And the affidavit filed on behalf of the petitioner regarding criminal antecedents also is in sync with the police report.
Obliged.
Mr. Mahendra Kumar Mahapatra for the petitioner, Mr. Standing Counsel for the State. The affidavit thila ki apanakar
May I
past
plead your lordship? Yes, your lordship. The lordship directed me to file an affidavit antecedents. And
aji file କରୁଛନ୍ତି
yes, your lordship.
file କରିନଥିଲେ
Na
So,
Sunday.
N.K. Mahapatra for the petitioner, Mr. Standing Counsel for the State, learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the affidavit in terms of the order dated 9/10/2023 and 20/11/2023 shall be filed today in court. Then subpara. The affidavit shall be taken on record, scanned copy be updated. Then subpara, copy of the affidavit has been served on the learned standing counsel for the state to enable him to obtain instruction. List on vacation ପୂର୍ବରୁ ନା ପରେ Mr. Mahapatra?
Your lordship is.
More please କରିବେନି ମୋର ଆଜି ହେଇଥିଲେ ଆପଣ ତ ଫାଇଲ କରିବେନି
Already ready.
ସାର୍ affidavit ମୁଁ କଣ ନେଇକି ଯିବି ନା କଣ ମୋର ସେଟା କଣ ମାନେ I don't understand this. Every counsel is throwing affidavit already filed. ମାନେ what is the utility for the court ସେଟା ଟିକେ ଭାବନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ଏଟା କରିବି କଣ ତାହେଲେ then submit on that.
Next week, any day.
What I will do with that affidavit? ଆପଣ କହିଲେ affidavit already filed. What I will do with that affidavit? For my personal knowledge.
Is your lordship.
Sir, as your lordship, no, you are seeking indulgence. There is a order on 9/10 and you have taken time for 2 months.
Yes, your lordship.
You could have filed that affidavit on 10/10.
No,
The
petitioner.
colossal wastage of time is completely attributable to you. And after filing the affidavit on 13/12, even if it takes further time, after 2 months, 7 days, you are saying the matter may be taken up. For what?
Let it come after.
When it discloses criminal antecedents.
Yes, sir. No criminal antecedents here.
That you are saying.
Yes, sir.
So I will write an order that since the affidavit shows that there is no criminal antecedents, is it not a laughable order? More personal knowledge by affidavit file କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ? You should have filed that affidavit on 10/10. What prevented you? Because on 9/10 you took time and it was listed on 20/11.
The person came.
They are also person ତ କୋଉଠି ଆସୁନାହାନ୍ତି ଏବେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଆମେ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଜେଲରେ ଅଛୁ କିଛି କରିପାରିବୁନି
ନା ନା ତା ଭାଇ ଆସିଥିଲେ।
ଯିଏ ବି ଆସୁଛନ୍ତି ସେଟା ନାଇଁ ସେ ପ୍ଲିଟା ନଉଛନ୍ତି ବୋଲି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଇନଫର୍ମ କରୁଛି ସେ ପ୍ଲି ବି ଏବେ ନେଲେଣି ଯେ ଆମେ ଜେଲରେ ଅଛୁ ଆମେ ଜାଣିପାରୁନୁ କୋଉଠି କଣ ହେଇଯାଇଛି କେତେବେଳେ
ନା ନା ସେଇଆ ନାହିଁ।
You are a smart counselor, Mr.
No,
Sahoo. You will not take that plea. They don't understand.
No, no.
But that plea has been taken.
Whenever
also.
this court directs to file an affidavit,
Court doesn't direct. You are not following. If you have a criminal incident, you have to inform the court. That is a relevant consideration for 439. Because then what is the purpose in granting bail? To repeat the offense.
Yes, sir.
The Lord Standing Counsel to enable him to obtain instruction. List on 20/12/23 chance ନିଅନ୍ତୁ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ The Lord Counsel for the petitioner submits that the matter should be taken up early. For the said reason, it has to be noted that though this court granted the time to the petitioner on 9/10/2023, the affidavit is filed after 2 months and 7 days on 13/12/2023. And one thing you are not also understanding that affidavit will not be updated here, or not possible. So where we should file?
I will file in the box.
Box में भी आप e-file कर देवे.
Before the registry, I will file.
Because unless the physical file they see, they cannot update it. Because this is also a part of uncertainty of this digital paperless. Because somebody may be inserted, something might be inserted in the thing, so it has to go at one place. It will be taken one part of the record.
Copy already served upon the.
जोड़ा को physical file रे अच्छी सेटा को आपण चेठी जोड़ी देले आपण एबे देई देले से बांधी से फाइल एटी रहला ऑर्डर 10 को देई काली संध्या बेले फेरा हबो what will how it was to your benefit काली जने से करथिले I think I should file in the court. Does it help you? Does it help the petitioner or the counsel if it is not updated? It should be your concern, not court's concern, that the file gets updated.
Yes, sir.
Yes, next please.
Copy already served, your lordship.
Order ही चलने है क्या? Has been served लिख लेना. हाँ.
May I praise your lordship?
Yes, please.
Last occasion, your lordship directed to serve the copy of the deposit PW 1 to 8, my lord. Right.
1 to 8 ଅଛି 1 to 8 ଅଛି 1 to 8 ଅଛି 12 13 ଦିନ
12% दिल्ली पे
12 13 ଦିନ 1 to 8 ଅଛି 12 13 ଦିନ
ଏଇଟା ସେଇ କେସଟା ଯୋଉଥିରେ ଆମର ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ଅଲଗା ଅଲଗା ଥିଲା ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ଦିଟା ତାଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ଦିଟା ମୋ ପାଖରେ ଦିଟା
yes
ସମସ୍ତେ ଅଲଗା ଅଲଗା ପଢୁଥିଲେ
11 ଯାଏ ଅଛି 11 ଯାଏ ଅଛି 11 ପରେ ଆଉ ନାହିଁ 12 13 13 witnesses exam
12 ସେଦିନ ଦେଲି 1 to 8 ଦେଲିନି ବୋଲି କହୁଥିଲେ ମୁଁ କିନ୍ତୁ ଫାଇଲ କରିଥିଲି ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ ମୁଁ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଆଣିଛି
ଆରେ 13 ଟା witness exam ହେଇଗଲାଣି
ବାରଟା ଆପଣ 29 ନଭେମ୍ବର ଏଇଟା ଫାଇଲ କରିଛନ୍ତି
ଫାଇଲ କରିଲି ସେଇଟା ସେଇଦିନ ଦେଇଦେଲି ବି କୋର୍ଟରେ ବି ଦେଲି
no apart from that my lord materials are there my lord the deposition my lord
12 13ଟା କୋଉଟା ଦେଖିଲେ
my lord
ଯୋଉଟା ନାହିଁ ସେଟା ଆପଣ ଏବେ ନେଇଯାଆନ୍ତୁ
12 ଆଉ 13
because if you are not having let us not start it will be again wasting time
12 13
ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ସେ ତାକୁ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ସେ ଜେରକ୍ସ କରି ଦେବେ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ
Right.
ଆପଣ ଏଠି ଗୋଟେ ଜେରକ୍ସ ମେସିନ ପକାନ୍ତୁ ପଛପଟେ ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ସେ ଏବେ କଣ କହିଲେ ସେଠୁ ଯାଇ ଜେରକ୍ସ କରି ଆଣିଲା ଗୋଟେ ଅସୁବିଧା ହଉଛି ଏଇଠି ତ ପକେଇବେ ଏଠି ଜେରକ୍ସ ହବ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ପ୍ରିଣ୍ଟର ବି ରଖନ୍ତୁ you go through it will take up ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଏଟା ପରଦିନ ନା କାଲି ଆଣିବା କୋଉ ଦିନ ସୁବିଧା ହବ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ
12 my lord hostile your lordship my lord
Exact-
not required
exact-
my lord place
ହଁ ଠିକ ଅଛି
other
ଆପଣ
witnesses
12 13 ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ ଦିଟା କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ପରେ ହୋଷ୍ଟେଲ ହେଇଯାଇଛନ୍ତି ତେଣୁ
Yes.
ତାଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ କିଛି ଫେଭର ନାହିଁ ତ
but the lordship may kindly come to the statement of PW
ସେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ he is the petitioner he has to initiate
yes that is
My lord, here allegation was that
ନାଇଁ ଆପଣ ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ ଏ ଷ୍ଟେଜରେ ଆଉ କଣ ରହିଲା ଆଲିଗେସନ ଆପଣ ତ ପିଡବ୍ଲ୍ୟୁ ଆସିଗଲାଣି ଡିପୋଜିସନ ଆସିଗଲାଣି ଆପଣ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରେଟ୍ ଆୱେ ଡିପୋଜିସନ କୁ ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ନହେଲେ ଟାଇମ ନିଅନ୍ତୁ ଆଇ ହାଭ୍ ନୋ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ବଟ୍ ଲେଟ୍ ଅସ୍ ନଟ୍ ମେକ୍ ଲାଇକ୍ ଲାଷ୍ଟ ଟାଇମ ଆମେ 20 ମିନିଟ୍ ଡିସ୍କସନ କଲେ
last occasion your lordship wanted to know who is the eyewitnesses to the occurrence, my lord.
ସାର୍ ମୁଁ କେମିତି ଜାଣିବା ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ ସାର୍ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ସବମିଶନ ହବ ଇନ୍ ଏ ବେଲ୍ ଆପ୍ଲିକେସନ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଆଇ ୱିଟନେସ୍ ଆକାଉଣ୍ଟ ଦ ପର୍ସନ୍ସ ୱିଥ୍ ହୁ ଆର୍ ଦ ଆଇ ୱିଟନେସ୍ have not supported the prosecution case ସେଟା କହିବେ ଆଉ ମୋର କଣ ଦରକାର ସେଟା
Yes, my lord. The Congress Nayak is the eyewitness to the occurrence.
ପିଡବ୍ଲ୍ୟୁ ରେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ ଏବେ
PW
କଂଗ୍ରେସ and other political party ନାମ
No,
କୁହନ୍ତୁ
no. PW 8, my lord. PW 8, my lord.
Okay,
31.
ମାନେ he was presented to the by the prosecution as an eyewitness
Yes, my lord.
PW 8
Yes, my lord.
ହଁ ସେ ତ hostile ଛାଡ଼ନ୍ତୁ।
Say in his statement, she has categorically stated in the 161 statement while he was going, my lord, saw that
ଆପଣ ବହୁତ ଲମ୍ବଉଛନ୍ତି ସାର୍ କଂଗ୍ରେସ ନାୟକର ଷ୍ଟେଟମେଣ୍ଟ ହି ହାଜ ଟର୍ନ ହୋଷ୍ଟାଇଲ ଇନ୍ ଦ
Hostile.
ସେକେଣ୍ଡ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ତେଣୁ ସେ କେମିତି ରିଲାଏ କରିବେ ଆପଣ ନେକ୍ସଟ ପଏଣ୍ଟକୁ ଆସନ୍ତୁ ଆଉ କଣ ସର୍କମଷ୍ଟାନ୍ସିଆଲ ଏଭିଡେନ୍ସ ଅଛି କଣ ଅଛି ମେଡିକାଲ ଏଭିଡେନ୍ସ କଣ ଅଛି
circumstantial evidence ଏ ଯୋଉ ସିଜର ହେଇଥିଲା ୱିଟନେସ
କଂଗ୍ରେସ ନାୟକ ହଉଛି ୱିଟନେସ ଟୁ ଡିସ୍କଭରି
discovery and
ହି ହାଜ ଟର୍ନ ହୋଷ୍ଟାଇଲ
also an eyewitness to the occurrence.
ହେଲା ସାର୍ ଆଇ ୱିଟନେସ ତ ସେ କଲା ହୋଷ୍ଟାଇଲ ବି ସେ ହେଇଗଲା
Yes, yes.
ଆଉ 27 ଟା ସେ ସପୋର୍ଟ କରିବ କି ସେ କହିଲା କି ଯେ ଦୋ ଆଇ ୱାଜ ଆଇ ୱିଟନେସ ଟୁ ଦ ଅକରେନ୍ସ
Yes, yes.
but I did not I had not gone when the recovery was made then come to the next point sir
Next, no, my lord, is that the case is that is PW1 who is the my lord informant.
injury କଣ ଅଛି ଆପଣ ଯିବେନି ମେଡିକାଲ ଏଭିଡେନ୍ସ କଣ ଅଛି ଇଞ୍ଜୁରି କଣ ଅଛି ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ
doctors were not examined
ଠିକ ଅଛି ତାହେଲେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ କଣ କହୁଛନ୍ତି
PW1, my lord,
କେତେ ଦିନ କଷ୍ଟଡିରେ ରହିଲେଣି
custody from my lord from 23/8/2021.
23/8/21 ରୁ ତାହେଲେ 2 ବର୍ଷ 2.5 ବର୍ଷ ହେଇଗଲା ତାମାନେ ଆପଣ କହିବା ଅନୁସାରେ କେହି ଗୋଟେ ବି ୱିଟନେସ ସପୋର୍ଟ କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି
ନାଇଁ ସପୋର୍ଟ କରୁଛନ୍ତି PW1
ଖାଲି ତାହେଲେ ତ
PW1.
yes that is a very correct approach so that at least we can go if PW1 can make out a case
ସେଇଟାକ but so in the 160 deposition she has stated she has seen the occurrence but in the 161 statement he Congress
161 ଟା କନଫ୍ରଣ୍ଟ କରି ହବନି 164 ହେଇଥିଲେ କନଫ୍ରଣ୍ଟ କରି ହେଇଥାନ୍ତା
ସେଟା ସେ out
161 has a difficulty in admissibility
ସେଇଠି ଆର୍ଥର କହୁଥିଲି ଯେ
ରେଲିଭେନ୍ସି admissibility admissibility weight ଆପଣ ଯଦି ଗୋଟେ inadmissible evidence କୁ ଆମେ ଏଠି ଡିବେଟ୍ କରିବା so YouTube ରେ କଣ ଭାବିବେ
ଗୋଟେ ଡେଟ୍ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଡେଟ୍ ଆସୁ
161 statement they cannot utilize how you can utilize
ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଡେଟ୍ ଲର୍ଡସିପ
ମୁଁ ପ୍ଲେସ୍ କରିବି ମୁଁ ପ୍ଲେସ୍ କରିବି
ଆନଦର ଡେଟ୍ ଆସୁ ମାଗୁଛି ଟାଇମ୍ ଭଲ କଥା
ମୁଁ ଜାଣିଥିଲି ଏହା ହବ ବୋଲି ସିଏ ଆରମ୍ଭ କରିବେ ମୁଁ କିଛି କହିବି ଆମର ଏନେ 20 ମିନିଟ୍ ଚାଲିବ ତାପରେ ପାଇବାନି ଗଲା ଥର ତ ଆମେ ପାଇଲିନି ଆପଣ କହିଲେ ମୋ ପାଖରେ କିଛି ନାହିଁ ମିଷ୍ଟର ନାୟକ was there I
Yes.
think
My lord, the informant PW1 supported,
ସେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି so let him examine ଛାଡ଼ନ୍ତୁ ତାହେଲେ you are on same page
2 supported, all man.
sir eye witness ତାଙ୍କ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଯେ ଆପଣ ଯାହାକୁ ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ କଲେ eye witness his case is that he has turned hostile
One of the eyewitness. That Congress night, the one of the
ଆଉ କିଏ eye witness ଅଛନ୍ତି କି
ଆଉ କିଏ
informant is the
Sir, ଠିକ
informant,
ଅଛି ଆପଣ examine କରନ୍ତୁ
informant, my lord, and as well as my lord.
Yes.
ଇନଫର୍ମାଣ୍ଟରେ
Sonnet-
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ କେବେ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି
ନେକ୍ସଟ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଛୁଟି ପରେ ନହେଲେ
ଛୁଟି ପରେ
ଛୁଟି
ମିଷ୍ଟର
ରିଓପନିଂ
ରିଓପନିଂ ୱିକ୍ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ୱିକ୍ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ୱିକ୍ ରେ ବହୁତ ଗୁଡେ ଡେଟ୍ ଅଛି ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ୱିକ୍ ରେ ଅନୱାର୍ଡସ୍ ଦିଆ ହଉଛି ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ୱିକ୍ ରେ ଆଗରୁ ପଳେଇଲାଣି ବହୁତ ହାଇକୋର୍ଟରେ ଏତେ ସର୍ଟ ମାନେ ଆକୋମୋଡେସନ ସେଥିପାଇଁ କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି ମାନେ ଆଡଜର୍ନମେଣ୍ଟ ବିକମ୍ ଭେରି ଡିଫିକଲ୍ଟ 2 ମାସ 3 ମାସ 6 ମାସ ଯାଏଁ ବି ପଳଉଛନ୍ତି ଆମର ଗୋଟେ ସିଷ୍ଟମ ହେଇଯାଇଛି ମାସେ 2 ମାସ ଭିତରେ କଲା ବେଳକୁ ବିକଜ ଭେରି ଡିଫିକଲ୍ଟ The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that he has served the copies of the depositions of PWs 1 to 8 on the learned counsel for the state. Today, copies of the depositions of PWs 12 and 13 have also been which have been filed in the court have also been served on the learned counsel for the state. Para. The learned counsel for the petitioner seeks accommodation to go through all the depositions and advance arguments as prayed for. List on second week रे देवे 10-1-20-24
May I please your lordship?
Mr. M.S.Sahoo for the petitioner, Mr. extra copy file करना है पर्यंत भी
My lord, I have instruction to appear on that.
अच्छा तारे अब दरकार next there is a noting Mr. Standing Counsel for the state
And the
Mr. H.N. Mahapatra
Rudanand.
ठीक ଅଛି H.N. लिखिवेनी लिखिवे हृदानंद पूरा फुल ना लिखिवे Rudananda Mahapatra for the informant oblique victim.
the victim is also appearing through VC, your lordship.
कहीं ताऊ डाकिले
She's at Puri. She's at Puri. And she.
तांको तो डक्का ही नहीं anyway they have to engage a counsel that is enough. तांको पिन करंतु
My lord, the informant and the victim both are appearing from Puri VC.
appearance दरकार नहीं the lawyer will be because the engagement of a lawyer will be sufficient. We don't have power.
Here, Maji. Kalpana Naik, here, Maji.
अरे
New power already applied. That has not come.
ताको नाडा काटी पकेइछन्ती
In the list.
नहीं नहीं लिस्ट रे लिखा है अपन से लिस्ट थोइछन तो बारी क्यों name of the Mr. A.R. Maji for the petitioner, Mr. Standing Counsel for the state. Yes, sir. Call to
Accused is in custody since 18/6/2023, Miller. Allegation is under section 408 of IPC regarding the did not deposited the prepayment amount and loan installments.
Mane he's an employee.
Yes. He is the employee of a private financial company.
माने आपण माने इन्वेस्टमेंट ता कहा द्वारा लोनी द्वारा ना कंपनी द्वारा
And the company द्वारा.
इन्फॉर्मेंट होची कंपनी
Yes. Miller. Well, dear Lordship, may kindly see the compromise.
Okay.
One compromise.
18,000. 28,000 below.
Huh?
Any terms and conditions may kindly.
So it is छोटे
No, no.
small.
4 lakhs as less. Altogether, my lord, 7 lakhs 6,500.
The standing counsel, he cannot do anything. He is a mere employee.
Oh, yes.
Stringent terms, he will not be say, he will never be able to. ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଯିଏ 1 crore ହେଇଥିବ ସିଏ ପ୍ରପର ହେଇଯିବ ସେଇଟା ଠିକ ହବ କିନ୍ତୁ ସିଏ ଇଏ ହବନି ଆପଣ ଯିଏ 1.5 କୋଟି ନଉଛନ୍ତି ସେଇଟା ପୁରା ପ୍ରପର ହେଇଗଲେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର
My lord, may kindly see that.
କିଛି ନାହିଁ ବୋଲି କହୁଛନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ
That what compromise affidavit, my lord, they have.
No, that is not compromise, that is the compressive affidavit. Compressive affidavit.
କମ୍ପ୍ରମାଇଜ ଆମର ଆଜ୍ଞା ବାହାଦୁରୀ ଆମେ କରିଦେଇଛୁ କମ୍ପ୍ରମାଇଜ ଆମର ଯୋଉ ଲିଷ୍ଟ କଲେ ତ ଦୁନିଆ କଥା ଲେଖା ହଉଛି ଆଉ କଣ କରିବା ଆଉ କମ୍ପ୍ରିହେନ୍ସିଭ ଆଫିଡେଭିଟ
2 persons may separate petition and my lord.
First order ଲେଖନ୍ତୁ
28.
କରେକ୍ଟ କରିବା ତାକୁ ଅର୍ଡର ଲେଖନ୍ତୁ ଅର୍ଡର କରିବେ the person list in the while listing the matter in the while listing the matter it is cause list କୋଉଠି ହୁଏ ସେ ବାରିକ listing
section.
in the listing section it has been typed that compromise affidavit by brother of the petitioner is filed compromise affidavit ଟା ନୁହଁ କି compromise affidavit ଟା court ରେ by brother court ରେ same shall be corrected as comprehensive affidavit on behalf of the petitioner then let's ଲେଖନ୍ତୁ name of Mr. अच्छा यार माझी इथे अच्छी
List ଅଛି
item 10
ମିଲ
এটা ମୋର କାଇଁ ଦେଖୁନି draft list ନା କଣ
draft list ଅଛି
ସୁଶାନ୍ତ ହରିଚନ୍ଦନ କଳ୍ପନା ନାୟକ କୀର୍ତ୍ତି ମୁଦୁଲି
ଏଆର ମାଝି ବି ଅଛି ଏଥିରେ
ଦେଖିଲେ ଆପଣ ଇଏ ବି ଗୋଟେ କଣ ଡିସ୍କ୍ରିପେନ୍ସି ରହିବ ଆଜ୍ଞା ବ୍ରିଫ ରେ ଅଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଲିଷ୍ଟ ରେ ଅଛି ଆପଣ କଣ ପେପରଲେସ୍ ବିରୋଧୀ ନା
out a list ଅଛି
ହଁ ଅଛି ଦେଖୁନାହାନ୍ତି ଲିଷ୍ଟ ଅଛି ମୋ ଲିଷ୍ଟ ଅଛି ଦେଖୁନାହାନ୍ତି ମୋର ଏଥିରେ ନାହିଁ ସ୍କ୍ରିନ୍ ପେପରଲେସ୍ ରେ ନାହିଁ
ଆମର ଯୋଉ ଆମକୁ ଯୋଉଟା ଦିଆଯାଇଛି କୋଉଠି ସେଥିରେ ନାହିଁ
ଏଥିରେ ନାହିଁ ତାର ଡ୍ରାଫ୍ଟ ତା କଣ ଗୋଟେ ଇସ୍ୟୁ ଅଛି ୟେସ୍ କଣ ଲେଖିଲେ ସେଟା କରେକ୍ଟ କରିଦେଲେ ଠିକ ଅଛି The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the petitioner is in custody since
18/6/2023 ମିଲ
18/6/2023 କେତେ ବୟସ କେତେ in the meanwhile first paragraph ରେ ଆପଣ para 2 ଲେଖୁଛନ୍ତି first paragraph ସରିଲା ତାପରେ 2 ଆରମ୍ଭ କରୁଛନ୍ତି
27 years
କଣ ଲେଖିଲେ is in custody since so and so date
18/6/2023
in the meanwhile the final prosecution report has been filed on
13/8/23
13/8/2023 considering the period of incarceration this court should show indulgence as far as prayer for bail is concerned the court should show it is further submitted considering the age of the petitioner that is 27 years he may be granted an opportunity to go back to the community to lead a normal social life para it is also submitted that the petitioner being a local person shall subject himself to the jurisdiction of the learned court in season of the matter and shall abide by terms and conditions that would be imposed by the court for grant of bail. Learned standing counsel referring to the materials contained in the case diary furnished by the investigating agency and the nature of allegations opposes the prayer for bail. Para. Having heard the learned counsel for the petitioner and the learned standing counsel, the court is inclined to and considering the materials on record. लिख देबे intend to grant bail to the petitioner subject to such terms and conditions that will be imposed by the learned court in season of the matter. We shall also include a condition that any violation of public deviation from any of the terms and conditions that would be imposed shall result in filing a petition for cancellation of bail by the law enforcement agency, disposed of accordingly. Yes, next, please.
11.
Item 11, I pray, can you take another application?
Mr. M.K. Swine. Mr. M.K. Swine for the petitioner. Mr. Standing Counsel for the state. The learned counsel for the petitioner seeks further accommodation to advance arguments as prayed for list on 11
But let him file the affidavit regarding CA.
11-1-24 to grant further opportunity to the petitioner. Yeah, allegation कौन 307 है?
Nine.
390.
Abstract भी अच्छी.
Yes.
390.
Okay.
The learned counsel shall submits that he shall file affidavit on behalf of the petitioner. Submits that he shall file affidavit. Do the past लिख लेनी से तो लिख दे. On behalf of the petitioner, indicating the past allegations of criminal activity, if any, so as to seek indulgence from the court for grant of bail.
Yeah, my lord.
Let the affidavit be filed by how much time?
Next date I will.
नहीं affidavit next date तब 11 weeks time. Affidavit be filed by कौन के 11 को ले? Affidavit be filed by 3 जनवरी ना 22 दिसंबर के बे करीबे
3 दिन
4-1-2024 copy be served on the learned standing counsel. Learned counsel for the state. Learned counsel.
There are several bail petitions. Lordship may kindly see of other co-accused person, those are disposed of by any coordination bench or not.
Problem you have seen when several times you have investigated and it is found that some number is wrong. कल जेमती इतला जीआर केस और स्पेशल केस से नंबर एकाठी चढ़ी गला मतलब जे ना रे कोन देखिले हबनी ना तो हबनी कहना बलराम बलिया आ गोटे कोन से पांचटा ना रे गोटे पिटिशन फाइल हेतला
पुलिस स्टेशन यार मानले हो सेटा देखिला
सेटा तो लिखा गला एफआईआर फिरिंगिया एटा फिरिंगिया 92 of 2023
yes
ओके
there are other bail application in respect
एथिरे भूल हबनी एटा सबुतरे फिरिंगिया अछि कोन लिखि as prayed for the affidavit late no as prayed for affidavit be filed by don't start that sentence as a late filed by 4-1-2024 copy of the affidavit shall be served on the learned counsel for the state to enable him to obtain instruction list on 11-1-2024 the registry shall also verify and put up a note regarding the other 3 bail petitions eta kette number eta hai 8370 Ashok Kumar Raut
another
8-1-7
8175 8697 and 10544
से ऊपर जो नंबर नहीं है जो हमर जो आछि देखि लिख देबे registry shall verify if any order has been passed any of the BL appeals filed by so and so of the other petitioners by any of the petitioners in BL appeal yes text please
item 12
may that's yes
This matter was day before yesterday, before my lord. That 394 turned to 395. 14 cases are there. The connected record my lord has called for, in which this petitioner has been enlarged on bail. I've given that order copy.
14 14 जो थे थिला but the learned coordinate bench have granted
Yes,
bail
yes, ma'am.
record टा गया लगी नहीं
Connected record, order copy I've given, madam.
नहीं ऑर्डर टा मु देखिछि तो ऑर्डर से भी देखछन्ती
आगे.
पण ऑर्डर टा लास्ट टाइम देथिले दिक्स
yes sir
that's in same consideration he has been granted bail and I will not differ
yes And very recently that has been 14.
Yes.
1411.
Record ଆଣିଛନ୍ତି କି? Record ଟା ସ୍କାନ୍ ହେଇନି ଏଠି ନାହିଁ ମାନେ I mean ସ୍କାନ୍ ହେଇଛି ଆଧେ ଟ୍ୟାଗ ହେଇନି ହଁ ମୋ ଅର୍ଡରଟା ଏଥିରେ ବି ଅଛି ନାଇଁ ସାର୍ 8450 ମୁଁ ମାଗୁନି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ କନେକ୍ଟେଡ ଟା ମୁଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ମାଗୁଛି କନେକ୍ଟେଡ ରେକର୍ଡ ଆସିନି କନେକ୍ଟେଡ ଆସିନି
I have got it.
ସେମ୍ ଇଏ ତ କଣ ସେଇଥିରେ ବି ଥିବ ଆପଣଙ୍କର କେସ୍ ଡାଏରୀ ଆଉ କଣ
Sir 392 ସେଟା ଏଟା ହଉଛି 395.
92 ରେ କେତେ ସଜା ଏଥିରେ କେତେ ପନିଶମେଣ୍ଟ ଏକା ଆଇ ଚେକ୍ ଅପ୍ ସିମିଲାର ଥିବ ପନିଶମେଣ୍ଟ
Yes.
392 is aggravated form of 392 ନା କଣ
395 ଟା ଟିକେ
এটা 394 ଥିଲା ପରେ ଟର୍ନ କରିଛି 395
10 ବର୍ଷ ଆଉ
390
because dacoity robbery is a aggravated form of 391
ଏଇଟା ବି ଏଇଟା
395 is still aggravated ଆଉ
ଏଇଟା
dacoity
10
ଆଉ।
ବର୍ଷ ଏଟା
life ଅଛି
ଲାଇଫ ଅଛି
no ହଁ life ଟା ପରେ amendment ହେଇ ପଛିଛି
ସେ ବି ଲାଇଫ ଅଛି ପାଖାପାଖି ସବୁ।
The learned counsel refers to the order passed by the coordinate bench dated first paragraph pore. First paragraph regula tapare 2 refers to the order dated 14/11/2023 passed by the coordinate bench in BL appeal number 11403 of 2023 which has been filed in connection with which was filed disposed of which was filed disposed of sentence no which was filed in connection with GR case number 527 of 2023 pending in before so and so arising out of so and so PS देखिए लिखिए है ना para 2 रे अछि para 2 flag mark ହେଇନି ତ ଅଛି record ରେ ଅଛି It is submitted by the learned counsel for the petitioner that in view of the order passed by the coordinate bench in similar circumstances and also considering the affidavit on behalf of the petitioner regarding past allegations of criminal activity, the petitioner should also be shown indulgence in this matter for grant of bail. Para. The learned standing counsel referring to the materials on record materials contained in the case diary submitted by the investigating agency and the past allegations of criminal activity against the petitioner opposes the prayer for bail. However, it is not disputed at the bar that the final prosecution report has been filed on
my lord annex 3 my lord.
Lord
16/6/2023
16/6/2023
right.
and that statements made in the affidavit and filed on behalf of the petitioner is in sync with the police report. It is also agreed at the bar that in similar circumstances the petitioner was granted bail by the coordinate bench. Para. Having heard the learned counsel for the petitioner, the learned standing counsel for the state, and considering the materials on record as well as the order dated 14/11/2023 passed by the coordinate bench, this court is inclined to grant bail to the petitioner subject to such stringent terms and conditions that would be imposed.
But that para 8, 9, 10 and 11 imposed by my lord
अच्छी सीट सी देखुन पारा 8 9 10 देखा जाओनी मैडम in fact I was looking at para 8 9 10
And 11 my lord that dictating and
What like
para 9 my lord family members that my lord is
Suvilani, last count Suvilani. Which shall also contain the conditions. Say our order re 8 9 10 ରହିବ
11 my lord also variance of the
ମାନେ ସପାରା କରି ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ଯେମିତି ଲେଖିବେ ତାପରେ ଲେଖିବେ and by and କରି ଆପଣ ସପାରା କରି ଲେଖିବେ ବା ସେମିକୋଲନ ଦେଇକି if the petitioner if there is any violation of oblique deviation from any of the terms and conditions that will be imposed for grant of bail shall result in filing of petition for cancellation of bail by the informant oblique victim oblique law enforcement agency. The bail appeal stands disposed of.
mobilization.
Se order टा physical file रे अछि. Plug नहीं तो अछि. So M.S.Sahoo for the petitioner, Mr. S.S. Mahapatra, AAC for the state. Yes.
Here in this case, petitioner is in custody since 21/1/2023.
Yes. Case diary and status of trial.
Case diary has not been received in this case. My lord, I have sought for and
Info होची टिके कमे पड़ियो टिके साउंड रिसाइकल हे गेलन M.S.Sahoo for the petitioner, Mr.
my lord, another submission. My lord, here this is the 376 DA, which
DA means notice has to go.
sir, lordship,
DA means basic कमे वाला.
No, D.
DA that requires notice to the indictment.
DA notice हो.
Notice of
अपना DA कोड देख लो Mr. Mahapatra. FIR.
FIR.
और DA अच्छी तो.
yes, sir.
Right. Since the FIR indicates the allegations under section 376 capital B capital A like ये सब रही वो
My lord.
the learned counsel for the petitioner shall file an extra copy of the brief सेटा केते से जो नोटिस टा को सेक्शन रे अछि CRPC रो
439 subsection 2 my lord.
और लिख ले से टेक्स्ट टा the learned counsel for the petitioner shall file extra copy of the petition in the registry of this court which shall be forwarded to the learned court in session of the matter for transmitting the copy through the office of the learned court to the informant oblique victim intimating regarding the right of audience in terms of the section 439 into bracket English 1 into bracket no तापरे into bracket small b माने सेक्शन में जेंति लिखा हुए नी
439
continuously b then proviso 2 second proviso कर दे
my lord, second provision.
second proviso 2 no second proviso the secretary DLSA shall also be intimated এটা কোন জায়গাটা ভঞ্জনগর মানে গঞ্জাম হবো না গজপতি গঞ্জাম the secretary DLSA গঞ্জাম shall also be informed to provide legal aid to the informant oblique victim when if for engagement of a counsel if they are unable to do so on their own. Another copy of the petition shall also be filed in the office of the Advocate General for transmitting the same to the concerned IAC, who shall forward the petition to the
IAC to solve this to the victim.
petition to the informant oblique victim and also intimate regarding the next date of listing. Yes. तापर लिखिए the list on notice लेटा केते समय लागियो फेब्रुआरी ना जनवरी
January.
लास्ट वीक ऑफ जनवरी कर देबे 30/1/2024 जोटा लिखले कि फॉरवर्डेड टू द ऑफिस also into the right of audience next date of hearing भी ऐड करते हैं.
And in the meantime, my lord, I will produce case diary and
Last तापर लिखिए list on the learned additional standing counsel shall obtain up-to-date case diary including statement of the victim if recorded under section 164 of the CRPC. Rest of the matters after
I will pardon my item 52 not press my lord. I am filing the memo. 52.
मेमो टा रखिए मेमोरियल 52 लिखि देथियो ठीक है.
Aye. Lordship, item 14 can be adjourned after vacation.
14
ଆମର କେତେ
सुशेर ऑर्डर डिक्टेट करे पड़िबो जदी बट आई कैंट अश्योर यू 14 मिनट डेट कर देई थांत केबे केबे चाहू चंदी 14
आफ्टर वेकेशन फेब्रुअरी
फर्स्ट वीक ऑफ फेब्रुअरी 2/2/24
16 also same prayer my lord.
केबे चाहू चंदी
The February.
सेटा मिस्टर पटनायक करिवे ना ही स्पेशलाइज इन दैट आपण कोन अर्जन करलेनी. यस मिस्टर पटनायक व्हिच डेट
17
केते फेब्रुअरी को चंदी
January last week.
पटनायक को पचरी को चंदी त आपण सेटा कहबे आई हैव इन्फॉर्म मिस्टर पटनायक कहबे
Yes.
जनवरी लास्ट
Aye.
31
My lord, item 15, my lord, same prayer, my lord. First week of February.
मिस्टर यू आर मिस्टर हरिचंदन
My lord.
सेकंड वीक ऑफ फेब्रुअरी
My lord.
कहले 5/2/24
Item
Yes.
17, my lord, that I am not press for those. That case, my lord, that is the interim bail filed for.
मिस्टर बॉस केस ओके ओके
yes,
Right.
my lord, my
They
lord,
already married.
there is a direction for submitting
I have to pass that order. से नॉन पेस्ट क्वेश्चन मैं लिखी बट आई हैव टू सी एंड पास द ऑर्डर ना मोर तो चॉइस नहीं.
submitting the
तो
report.
नॉन पेस्ट होता है ना एक्चुअली
Marriage टा भांगी गला तो मारली भी as per the instruction arrest में. That for the when the police
My lord,
प्रेस टा भांगी चला नहीं.
the press
no, press is there, but
प्रेस टा भांगी जाता.
statement is
My friend has done lot
no,
of reports, my lord.
that is
He's
He will-
Lord,
He specializes in that prolific practitioner.
Item 21 my
Trial court prolific trial court practitioner.
he has done a lot.
press is there.
For 3 days, my lord. He's my lord.
no.
Everything is genuine, my lord.
As per direction of the honorable court, whatever honorable court directed, we complied the.
मैंने व्हाट डू मीन टू 41 कोर्ट की कहले.
One press के पड़े my lord. Time is
और कोड है ना मैंने.
first week of January my lord.
हां कर दियो. पावर नहीं. प्रेमराज गुरु केबे केबे चाहू चंदी एटा
First week of January my lord.
सेकंड वीक रो फर्स्ट वीक डोंट पैक फर्स्ट वीक.
Second week.
9 करके 11 को चला 11 1 ठीक है.
Oblige my lord.
आपण आइटम 18 रे आइए तो नहीं आई आइटम 18
17, my.
ओ 17 हां
That is I 16.
1614
Yes.
अच्छा ठीक है. नो बैचलर्स पार्टी मिस्टर बरार द मैरिज नेगोशिएशन फेल्ड. To advance arguments as paid for list on 2/2/2024 2nd February 02.02.2024 to grant further opportunity to the petitioner the learned ASC SS महापात्र लिख लेता Lord AC submits that case diary along with statement of the victim recorded under section 164 CRPC is available. Yes, next.
Item 15.
Mr. Susanta Harichandan for the petitioner, Mr. S.S. Mahapatra for the state. Learned counsel for the petitioner seeks further accommodation to advance arguments. As paid for list on 5th of 05.02.2024 to grant further opportunity to the petitioner. Case diary has been received.
CD requirement.
The learned AAC shall obtain the up-to-date case diary along with statement of the victim recorded under section 164 of the CRPC. Statement of the victim if recorded. Yes, next.
Item 16.
Mr. M.S.Sahoo for the petitioner. Mr. S.S. Mahapatra AC for the state. The learned counsel for the petitioner seeks accommodation to advance arguments. As prayed for list on 31.01.2024 to grant further opportunity to the petitioner. The learned additional standing counsel submits that, AC submits that case diary is available. And in the meanwhile, charge sheet has also been filed. Next.
Item 17.
So report diyantu. 17 लिखिए IA 1614 of 2023. Mr. Jitendra Samantaray for the petitioner. Mr. Additional AC, SS Mahapatra AC for the state. Mr. SK Baral for the informant. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the petitioner doesn't want to press the IA on the ground that court the interim bail was sought for marriage of the sister of the petitioner, and the said marriage after being negotiated has been has not materialized. ये रंकनिधि नायक ना ये के रश्मि रंजन नायक
गोटे ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି आईआईसी सदर अनदर मतलब आईआईसी सदर खोर्धारू आसी गोटे ଦେଇଛି कोड गोटे ଦେଇଛି सॉरी
किंतु आंकर भौणी बाहागर ठीक है 16 तारिख रे 16 को ठीक है तल सेते बेले त आपनकर तल ये आइए फाइल एटा भी गोटे भल हला सेटा भांगले आ थरे फेब्रुआरी रे
से कौन करछे से जो एफिडेविट देथिले जो प्रिंट करे प्रेस जो ये सॉरी मतलब कार्ड जो प्रिंट करिवार जो कोरी करले से कार्ड प्रिंट करियाटा इटसेल्फ
सेटा आपनकर प्रजापति घटसूत्र हे गला कहउछन आप
सेटा को भय करी कि से पुल कर देले मैंने that has been deferred to another date in the first
ना सेटा करे काई कहले जे काई कि ना सेटा आपनकर 14 तारिख बाहागर बोल से लगेले ना
14 तादर से नोटिंग अछि
जो दो समहाट कोरिलेट आई वाज सेइंग दैट तापर संक्रांति पर आसीबो 15 की 14 बजे संक्रांति 16 रे हिची Still the bachelor's party is on. Out 15 January संक्रांति
से एठो गल्ला पर दी जन को कार्ड छपे जंतु
my lord's direction to produce the invitation card they have started gone to the
तापर
press and got it And in see they have ordered for card of both the parties, as well as bride and also groom. That is
ସେ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ୟୁଟ୍ୟୁବ ରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ପୂଜା କରୁଥିବ ପ୍ରେସ ବାଲା ସେ ବୋଥ ଅଫ ୟୁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ୟୁଟ୍ୟୁବ ଦେଖିକି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଇଏ କରୁଥିବ
400 ଟଙ୍କା ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି କହୁଛନ୍ତି 1150 ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି
ଆପଣ ମାର୍କ କରିନାହାନ୍ତି ସେଟା ଆଇଏ କେବେ ଫାଇଲ ହେଲା
आइए 7/12 कॉपी सर
4/12 ରେ ଫାଇଲ ହେଲା
7/12 कॉपी सर
4/12 ରେ ଫାଇଲ ହେଲା କାର୍ଡ କେବେ ଛପା ହେଲା
10 तारीख
10 ତାରିଖ ଦିନ
10 तारीख लास्ट लिस्टिंग 7/12 पर लिस्ट
7/11
on the said date my lord on this 7/12 my lord directors to my lord take instruction also regarding invitation card when my lord wanted the invitation card this was done
no invitation card I did not direct
direct
they produced the invitation card if I would have directed then they would have printed in sufficient numbers
they got the indication that invitation card is required
ଓହୋ ସେ ରସିଦ ଟା ଆଣିକି ତାକୁ 1150 ଟଙ୍କା ଲେଖିକି 2 ତାରିଖ ପକେଇଦେଲେ
400 ଟଙ୍କା ହେଲା ବହୁତ କମ କାର୍ଡ ଜଣା ପଡୁଛି
ମୁଁ ସେ କଥା ଆଜି କହିଥିଲି ମିଷ୍ଟର ଆଙ୍କ ପିକେ ରାୟଙ୍କୁ କହୁନଥିଲି ମୁଁ ଡୋଣ୍ଟ ନେଭର ଥିଙ୍କ ଦ ଅପୋନେଣ୍ଟ ଅଦର ସାଇଡ will have to be a dumb or the judge that he will not understand anything that's a high risk tactics if you start underestimating then you obviously commit mistakes
No, usually liberally interim orders are being in genuine cases.
No, that is another thing. But to devise a strategy, to influence the court becomes a problem.
My lord.
आइए लिख ले अपीयरेंस लिख दे हाँ तापर लिखिए पर
Sorry.
By order dated 7/12/2023 the following was directed thereafter on 12/12/2023 the following order was passed अरे कौन 11/12 पर आगे उल्टा पलटा ही गला on 11/12/2023 the following order was passed thereafter on 12/12/2023 the following order was passed pursuant to the order dated 12/12/2023 the learned additional standing council has received instructions from the ISC Sadar PS Puri video DR number 4050 dated 12/12/2023 copy of the said report along with the statement of the owner of the printing press is kept on record that stamp mara hai ki rahibo bujhile stamp mara hai rahi ki recorded rahibo the said statement of the statement sab para se sapara kale to the statement of the owner of the car one Sri Vijay Kumar Behra aged about so and so son of so and so at village so and so Clark Road Puri Clark हिते बोधे that he printed, that he was approached for printing of card on 10/12/2023 at around 3 p.m. afternoon. He was provided with about 100 cards, which he has printed. On 11/12/2023, he handed over the printed cards. सेटा की प्रकार प्रिंटिंग कहउछन्ती कोन सेटा फ्लेक्स ना कोन ताना ऑफसेट
ऑफसेट
ए जोटा घरे करी हो गोटे फ्रेम करी की डीटीपी हला पर ऑफसेट तो ना सेटा ऑफसेट ऑफसेट टा बड़ मशीन रे जोटा
प्रिंट रे जोठी करंदी ऑफसेट
जोटा घरे होवे सेटा कोन
प्रेस
नहीं सेटा प्रेस नो प्रिंटिंग प्रेस सेटा मशीन प्रेस नो सेटा कोन ता नाटा जस्ट मिसिंग दैट नेम कोन लिखले on afternoon of 11/12/2023. He was paid 400 rupees and he was asked for a receipt. After that, they took the money receipt book from him, and after that, the persons who sought for printing the card filled up the money receipt and took his signature. ये सही लोक ना आउ जने लोक जो एबे जो बाहागर ठीक हैला
से लोक
same पोजियो समान
same person because
the IS the London IAC also produces the report of the IAC Sadar PS Khordha by DR number 3985 dated 12/12/2023, which indicates the following, which indicates that the marriage as indicated in the IA between the bride and the groom, the bride being the sister of the petitioner, is scheduled to be held on 16/1/2024. The said instruction along with the enclosure is also taken on record. Along with the enclosure is taken on record. In view of the submission of the Land Council for the petitioner, the IA stands disposed of. Submission ऊपर तो लिखछन सभा ऊपर से फेरी बेनी सेटा एठी रखिबे
no my lord we have copy
हां नहीं ताको कहली से सेटा आपन स्टैम्प है कि रेकॉर्ड रे गुंथा हो ला यू आर फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम अपन प्रथम थर आछंती ठीक अछि बसंत टाइम सुनतनी
प्रिंटिंग प्रेस रो जो प्रोप्राइटर रो ना त डाको नाटा होची आमे जोटा एफिडेविट देथिलु सेटा तन्मय
डिस्प्यूटेड अपन को 2-3 जार देथिले कि
ना
ना वे इन डाउट केते जगह दिया थिला ताहाले प्रॉब्लम हो
ना
सबुटी 100 जल्दी हो बोली
टोटल
एवडा के आधा घंटा रे प्रिंट हो जाए थरे डीटीपी हो गेले संग संग प्रिंट हो जाए
ये निजे रसीद दैछंती के 250 कार्ड्स
कोडा नहीं से कहले से ठीक कह देबे पाखा पाखी मोर देन 100 हो से कहउछन कारण से गणी नांती केते कार्ड से प्रिंट करछंती बट सब गुडा प्रिंट करछंती बोली कहउछंती आपण कार्ड किनि नै तांको देले डीटीपी टा देले से प्रिंट कर देले
प्रॉब्लम
यस बीएलएफएल टा आपण केबे चाहउछंती बीएलएफएल शैल बी लिस्टेड व्हेन मूव्ड ना कोन
छुट्टी पर
बदलन बीएलएफएल ता पर ऑर्डर लिखंतु द लॉन्ड काउंसिल फॉर द पिटिशनर सिक्स accommodation six accommodation to advance arguments आज prayed for list on केबे सिटी पर केबे चाहउछंती
रीओपनिंग एनी डे
14 तारिख पर बाहागर अछि अपन ता पूर्व रीओपनिंग रे गले कोन सही हिसाब रे अपन रखिबे ना
तब बिफोर
आज prayed for list on ପାଞ୍ଚ ଚାରି ନାଇଁ କଣ ଏଟା କେତେ 8-1-20-24
Okay.
ଆଠ ରଖି ପାଞ୍ଚ କରିଦେଲା ମିଷ୍ଟର ସାମନ୍ତରାୟ ପାଞ୍ଚ
Yes.
ପାଞ୍ଚ କରିଦେବ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ୱିକ୍ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ 2-5 4 ଦିନ ଅଛି ୟେସ୍ ନେକ୍ସଟ
Item 18,
Pray for an adjournment.
My lord,
ମିଷ୍ଟର ଜ୍ଞାନାନନ୍ଦ ପଣ୍ଡା for the
Well,
petitioner
18-19-20.
item number 9, my lord.
yes
The Puri matter, my lord, supposed to take about 2 p.m.
ଠିକ କହିଲେ ପରା
I'm sorry.
ହୃଦାନନ୍ଦ କହିଲେ ପରା ଇଏ
Oh, I'm
ଦିଟା ବେଳେ ଆସିପାରିବେନି Mr. Gyanananda Panda for the petitioner, Mr. S.S. Mahapatra, ASC for the state. Item केतेटा? 18.
18-19-20.
The Lord Counsel for the petitioner seeks further accommodation to advance arguments as paid for after vacation के day sir.
Second week January. 10th.
As paid for सबुड़ा को 10 रखले हबनी. तो ठीक है जी 10-1-2024 to grant further opportunity to the petitioner. The Lord ASC submits that the case diary is available.
My lord.
18-20 same affair.
Same. No, my lord.
Other issue, other matters.
My lord.
Then same 19 में case diary अच्छी,
Yes, man.
20 में case diary अच्छी.
20, yes, man. 20.
The same order 19 टा date कर दियन तू 11, 20 टा कर दियन तू 12. Yes, next.
May I pray?
Item 21.
Item 26, may I permitted to withdraw, my lord? Another.
ठीक है पढ़ू मते I have to dictate
Right.
that order. I have a difficulty मते abstract में file टा pull करी केमती लिखीबी.
My.
item 21,
Mr. Premraj Guru on behalf of Saroj Kumar Padhi for the petitioner. Mr. S.S. Mahapatra AC for the state. The Lord Counsel for the petitioner seeks further accommodation to advance arguments as paid for. List on 11-1-2024. The Lord AC submits that case diary is available.
Man.
See what जो 18-19 से election तो case diary available जो last line same order सब उतरेला. Yes, next.
item 22,
May I please your lordship? I
Yes.
take adjournment on behalf of Mr. Durga Prasad Bhodamaya.
Yes,
Hold on,
Miss Dipti Rekha
Nanda.
Nanda. Dipti Rekha Nanda for the on behalf of DP Dhara for the petitioner. You don't have power.
No.
Mr. S.S. Mahapatra, AC for the state. The learned counsel for the adjournment is sought for on behalf of the learned counsel for the petitioner to advance arguments as paid for. 21.
My lord.
But kebe चाहते reopening kebe
21 I told you reopening you as soon. 21 though.
21 January
No, 21 January. No, too long. Reopening.
reopening. List on 8-1-2024. The learned AGA submits that AC submits that case diary is available.
My lord.
Yes. So Manoranjan Padhi for the petitioner, item 23. 23 lekon. Manoranjan Padhi for the petitioner, Mr.
May I please your
S.S. Mahapatra AC for the state.
My lord.
lordship
9751, 9752 रे कौन होची?
lordship same ଜିନିଷ
ସେଟା ମାନେ ମୋର assignment ନୁହଁ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ସେଟା that is not my assignment.
yes my lordship
ତାହେଲେ କାଇଁ ଲିଷ୍ଟ କାଇଁ ହଉନି? ତଳୁ ତଳ ଅଛି ଆଚ୍ଛା ଆଚ୍ଛା yes
24, 25.
yes
My lord, 3 persons
yes
who are
lordship.
holding 3 bags individually and having 20 kgs of each. In total, my lord, there were 60 kgs were transported by them collectively to take to one person to transport that through bus to Visakhapatnam, my lord. And they from each bags 3 bags were recovered, and from 3 bags it was 60 kgs, and in one bag that was 20 kgs of ganja in each bag. And the petitioner
प्रेस कले ये कौन
Again, regarding criminal incident.
आपणकर
antecedent, they have to file affidavit, my lord, because
antecedent no antecedent.
antecedent is having one, my lord. I find
ଗୋଟେ ଫାଇଲ କରିଛନ୍ତି ନା କେତେଟା affidavit ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି?
ତିନିଟା affidavit ଦେଇଛି ଗୋଟେ
ମାନେ sir,
4
ତିନିଟା ଯେ, ମାନେ ଅଲଗା ଅଲଗା applicant ଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ତିନିଟା ତ?
ହଁ ଅଲଗା ଅଲଗା
I am taking up 9750. Confuse କରନ୍ତୁନି ଆଉ.
Saheb Kumar. The petitioner, my lord, in item 25 is having 2 criminal antecedents.
ନାଇଁ we are taking up
One,
23.
23. 23, my lord, Maheshwar Naik.
Maheshwar Naik.
9750. 9750.
9750.
Yes.
He don't have any criminal antecedent as I find.
ତାଙ୍କ ପୋଜିସନ ରୁ କନସିୟସ୍ ପୋଜିସନ ରୁ କେତେ ବାହାରିଛି କିଛି?
No, my lordship, kindly have a glance in the FIR, page number 12.
କହୁନାହାନ୍ତି ସାର୍, ଏତେ ଗ୍ଲାନ୍ସ କଲା ବେଳକୁ ସମୟ ପଳଉଛି.
Carrying, while carrying a bag each shoulder.
ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଆପଣ କହୁଛନ୍ତି? ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଆପଣ କହୁଥିଲେ
Also police ବି ସିଜର କରିଛି, ତିନିଟା ଏକ୍ସିବିଟ୍ କରିଛି, ଅଲଗା ଅଲଗା ଏକ୍ସିବିଟ୍ କରିଛି. ଏକ୍ସିବିଟ୍ 1 ହେଉଛି ମହେଶ୍ୱର ନାୟକ.
Whether physical possession ରେ ଅଛନ୍ତି କି not? They were in physical possession. One was holding one bag each and 20 kgs of ganja in each bag. They 3 were having physical possession, conscious possession of the ganja of 20 kg.
20 kg is above commercial quantity, but usually granted bail.
Lordship, I have a.
So this is proper legal advice.
Lordship.
120 grams, 20 kg.
Considers, my lord, our objection, strong objection.
No, objection.
My lord, this is third section.
No, but by now 20 kg ତ ପ୍ରାୟ ପାଇଗଲେଣି ନା?
Yes.
ଆପଣ 100 କିଲୋ ପାଇଗଲେଣି ଆପଣ? ସେଦିନ କେତେ ଆମର ତ ଯୋଉଟା ଆପଣଙ୍କର ମୋବାଇଲ ପୋଜିସନ ସେଇଟା କେତେରେ ଦିଆହେଲା? 125 କିଲୋ ମୋବାଇଲ.
My lord, their lordship hold.
The argument is very interesting.
Yes.
Possession of the mobile and the CDR can be attributed to be the conscious possession of the contraband.
But sometimes
No, obviously. No. You see, that is how the law has evolved. That is the best part of it, actually. No, to Mr. Standing Counsel, I'm telling it seriously. Tomorrow time will come because the law has to be amended like that. Because the main culprits, they are not using touching it.
That is where
They are nowhere in picture.
no they
are sitting somewhere in the comforts of a air conditioned 5-star or something. The best of life they are leading.
in every case, my lord, we find the
poorest
on the spot.
who is in need of money and he's told 1 kg go to 1000 tanga. You see, he's given a lucrative offer.
Yes, my lord.
models of operating they are changing day by day. Scientifically they are changing.
So someday it is high time that any conversation that will be also taken roped in.
Very
ଏଥିରେ ଆଉ ସିମିଲାରିଟି ଏଇଟା ତ ପ୍ରେସିଡେଣ୍ଟ କିଛି କଣ ଏଇଟା ଆପଣ ସେଟ୍ କଲେ 20 କିଲୋ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଆରେ 20 କିଲୋ 19 କିଲୋ 500 ଗ୍ରାମ ହବ କଣ ହବ ଡିସିଜନ ଟା ପଢିଛନ୍ତି 18 years କ୍ରିଷ୍ଣାୟରଙ୍କର ସୋ what will happen in 17 years 364 days.
Yes.
Mr. First item টা লিখিবে that is 23. Mr. Manojan Padhi for the petitioner, Mr. S.S. Mahapatra AC for the state. Learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the petitioner judgment is certificate नहीं आसुन. Mr. Padhi दे दियो तो
ଆଜ୍ଞା
Learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the petitioner is in custody. एटा para 2 अपन लिखछन. First para गला लिखले पूरा. First para and बुझ पड़छन तो कोन कहूची. Para 2 the learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the petitioner is in custody since
29/7/23.
29/7/2023. The final prosecution report has been filed on so and so date. in view of the period of incarceration of the petitioner and the fact that the petitioner, being aged about 19 years, should be given a chance to come back to the community to resume his normal social life. It is further submitted. Stop, it is further submitted. The petitioner is a local resident and shall subject himself to the jurisdiction of the learned court in season of the matter. And he shall abide by all terms and conditions that will be imposed for grant of bail. Para. The learned additional standing counsel, referring to the materials contained in the case diary produced by the investigating agency, and also the provisions contained in section 37 of the NDPS Act opposes the prayer for bail. However, it is not disputed that the FTR has been submitted on.
No, my lord, that instruction I don't have, but there is a mention of 23rd September, November, in investigation is complete. Charge sheet is supposed to have been submitted.
The investigation, it is not disputed at the bar that final prosecution report upar lene client ta kati debadi.
Investigation
disputed that it is not. It is agreed at the bar that the investigation has been completed on 23rd November
2023.
2023. 23. Para. It is also agreed that the affidavit of the petitioner, affidavit filed on behalf of the petitioner indicating that there is no past allegations of criminal activity against the petitioner is in sync with the police report received by the learned State Council. Para. Having heard learned counsel for the petitioner, the learned additional standing counsel, and continuing the material on record, this court is inclined to grant bail to the petitioner subject to such stringent terms and conditions that would be imposed by the learned court in season of the matter. We shall also include a condition that any violation of deviation from any of the terms and conditions shall result in filing of petition by the law enforcement agency for cancellation of bail.
Lordship, add one line, my lord. As per the seizure list, 20 kgs of ganja was seized from his possession.
लिखिबे जो सबमिशन माने एडिशनल स्टैंडिंग काउंसिल लिखले नहीं कि से लिखिबे submits that as per the seizure list 20 kg of contraband was seized from the possession of the petitioner. तापरे सब लिखिले पूरा लिखिबे. Yes. Then 9751, my lord. 9751.
51 is same of the first case.
No antecedent एथिरे.
No antecedent.
से पण जो एटा गोटे प्रॉब्लम कोन होबो कहले एबे आपण जो नो antecedent रे बेल मिलला बता सब थोर नुआ नुआ लोक गंजे नेबे. More number of people will be inducted for the job.
The seizure list itle my lord will say that conscious person of gote seizure list
नहीं आपण को एई जोटा बर्तन आपण एफिडेविट से फाइल करिवे कोर्ट देखिबे ताकर क्रिमिनल एक्सीडेंट नाही तो बेल रे जिबे ताले जते नुआ लोक आसीबे एटा डील करे पे सेते बेल मिलबो.
No, that is not a case of parity. My lord, lordship considers from
fourth attendant, that's a relevant consideration. Criminal proclivity or the past allegations, how he has utilized the liberty granted earlier. Same order habo खाली एज टा देखिया पड़ियो. 26 years 19 जो नथिले कि इधर कल 26 कर देबे.
lordship may add the age because he there of 19 years old.
Age has already been indicated.
Well, that will be
considering the age of the petitioner, he should be granted so indulgence so that he goes back to the
mainstream of
community, coming back to the mainstream of the society. Like it is 26 वर्ष. It will be 20 kg. Next matter is
item 25.
9752.
20 kg.
25 is having two criminal antecedents.
25 I am appearing.
Sir, I got 23rd लिखले अपन order. Same order in 24, but the petitioner is aged 26 years. कौन डाउट रहला कौन? बुझिपारनी सर 23 होची 9750 आपण कोन प्रश्न पचारे कथा पचारंतु हां 26 इयर्स कहीं आगो कहबे आपण दागर लिस्ट नंबरटा देखिबे सीरियल नंबर 24 BLAPL 9751 सर देख आपण लक्ष्य करि पारना जानि पारना सेटा से एका नंबरटा तीनटा जाका मैटर वन आफ्टर अनदर आसीची कनेक्टेड मैटर बोली लेखा आइची अब बर्तमान वो कहले कोन हो अपन तो डिस्टर्ब कर साइलेंट प्रोसीडिंग टा तो देन 25 9752 होला स्टेट काउंसिल रो सबमिशन जोटा तांकर एथे ता बयस केते साहेब को बयस केते
33 वर्ष
33 इयर्स कर देबे deserves a chance to come back to the mainstream of the life होला 25 रे 33 हला second change हबो the learned additional standard the इतरे Mr. Naik you are there in
My lords,
25
My lords.
Mr. Devasis Naik AGO for the state change हला it is submitted submission रे लिखिबे the जो the learned AGA referring to the materials contained in the case diary and past allegations against the petitioner opposes the prayer for bail. First line submitted by the learned AGA that opposes the prayer for bail. The approval submits that he 20 kg of ganja was recovered from the possession of the petitioner. सबु समान अछि आज्ञा खाली गोटे लाइन ऐड हो तो क्रिमिनल आंसर में सपोज करछन yes
much obliged.
Yes.
He's having two criminal
Permitted to withdraw my
Lordship in that item 25.
Who कह दी two obliged but कहि हेबनी by the evening or late evening it may come up 0 1 कोन जा अब देखिबा बर्तन जा कोर्ट रूम जा परफॉर्मेंस हला 23 24 25 लागलाटा पूरा मिसी गला बेले सब
My lord friend was supposing that.
26 Mr. Gyanananda Panda from the petitioner. The counsel for the petitioners finds a memo indicating the petitioner doesn't to
with liberty to move the court below.
Filing of fee. Liberty कौन दरकार? अपन एक rejection order against असले that rejection order is dated. Rejection order दिन है. 1923. हाँ 1923. अपन चार सेट के में फाइल है ला. Mr. Naik.
My lords. My lords, charge sheet is 2823.
2823.
My lords.
ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଜ୍ଞାନାନନ୍ଦ ପଣ୍ଡା Mr. Devasis Naik by order dated 13.09.2023 the following order was passed para 2 लिखिदेबे हैला 13.9 रे para 2 the said order was reiterated the said direction to file affidavit the said sub para the said direction to file affidavit was reiterated by order dated 12/10/2023, 13/11/2023. Para. It is submitted by the learned counsel for the petitioner that the affidavit has not been filed. But, however, the petitioner wants to move the learned trial court as the order of rejection of the earlier bail petition filed before the learned trial court, that is bail application number 244 of 2023, is 19/7/2023, and thereafter on kete date ta kahle Mr. Naik charge sheet date
charge sheet date, my lord, is 2/8/20.
2/8/2023. Charge sheet has been filed. Final prosecution report has been filed. Therefore, the petitioner seeks to withdraw the petition to move the court in season of the matter. The memo dated 13/12/2023 is taken on record. The BLAP, the petition stands disposed of with liberty as prayed for.
Item 27.
May I please? My lord, last occasion, your lordship is directed to file a criminal proclivity of the petitioner, but he is.
Mr. Sahoo.
My lord.
Mr. Sahoo for the petitioner. The Learned Counsel for the petitioner seeks further accommodation to file affidavit on behalf of the petitioner in terms of the order dated 16/11/2023, indicating the past allegations of criminal activity, if any. How much time, sir? You will file affidavit?
18 January.
The affidavit के file करिए?
But I have made contact about
the affidavit as paid for. The affidavit will file by 10/1/2024. ना और कौन हो?
contact है पानी से.
Affidavit will file by 18/1/2024. List on a copy of the affidavit shall be served on the Learned Counsel for the state to enable him to obtain instruction. List on 29/1/2024.
My lord.
Yes, next please.
28.
May I please, Lord?
So Santosh Kumar Mahanti for the petitioner, Mr. Devasis Naik AGA for the state. 27 Mr. Naik AGA. 28. Yes, Mr. Mahanti.
Lordship, pursuant to the order of the last occasion, I am filing the complaint.
The Learned Counsel for the petitioner submits that he shall be filing the affidavit on behalf of the petitioner indicating the past allegations of criminal activity, if any, in the court today. Then, Sapara, the affidavit shall be taken on record, scanned copy be updated, copy of the affidavit, it is a kacha bhangiya pe machine asine fala kari ta bhitor rakhi debe mu kahichi magich eta ei jo machine ta lagila barse khane kiniya pe se bhangiya machine ta kochon to like 2 barsh lagibo
No, taken on record kala mu de dili.
sir seya to shall be taken on record to shunibeni ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ମୋର ଅଡିଓ ଏନହାନ୍ସର ବି ଆସିବ ମୋର ଭଏସ ଟା କିଛି ଶୁଭୁନି
ନା କ୍ଲିୟର ଅଡିବଲ ହଉଛି
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ସେଟା ହଉନି ମୁଁ ସେ ତ ତା ପୂର୍ବଟାକୁ ଆପଣ ଶୁଣି ପାରିଲେନି he served on the state dele copy dele he served on the state to enable the Learned Counsel for the Learned AGA to obtain instruction କେବେ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି ଏଇଟା
ଛୁଟି ପୂର୍ବରୁ ଆସିବ
ଛୁଟି ପୂର୍ବରୁ ଆସିବ କେମିତି ଆପଣ ତ ଦେଲେନି affidavit today is 13th ଛୁଟି ପରେ ହିଁ ଆସିବ as paid for list on 4/1/2024
29.
Well, this is the leave to appeal. This is the 302 case. So, my lords.
So not my assignment.
My lords.
The CRLLP has been filed seeking leave to appeal against the order of acquittal of the opposite party who was facing trial under section 302 of the IPC. Para. In contrary opinion of apparently the assignment of such petition is not is of a division bench. The registry to do the needful for listing of the matter before the appropriate bench. Registry shall do the needful kar diyantu, stop kar diyantu. Bas tapare. Yes, next.
Item 40.
So this is again a leave to appeal. No, sorry. 30.
30. ଆପଣ ଟିକେ ଲିଷ୍ଟ କୁ ଅନେଇବେ ନା ଆଉ ଆପଣ 29 ପରେ 40 କହିବେ କେମିତି ହବ? ଏଇଟା କଣ ଆମେଣ୍ଡମେଣ୍ଟ ପୂର୍ବରୁ? ଏଇଟା ହଉଛି 500 120B 500 ରେ କେତେ ସଜା ମ୍ୟାକ୍ସିମମ୍ ପନିଶମେଣ୍ଟ? Defamation 2 years. 500 ରେ କିନ୍ତୁ ନାହାନ୍ତି whatever. Non-appeals for the petitioner when the matter is called. पूरी मैटर टा लिस्ट कर देबे ହେଲା ନେଇ ଆସନ୍ତୁ to grant further opportunity list on এটা ଆପଣ এটা 29 ମାନେ এটা ଫେବ୍ରୁଆରୀ କୁ ଯିବ list on 5/2/2024 1031 ଡାକି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
31.
Mr. Rupam Misra on behalf of B.K. Misra for the petitioner. The learned counsel for the petitioner seeks accommodation to obtain instructions and take steps in the matter Stop. As paid for list on 29/2/2024. ସେଟା ଆପଣ 5/2 କଲେନି କି ସେଟାକୁ ଆପଣ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ 19/2 ତା ପୂର୍ବ ମ୍ୟାଟରଟା କାରଣ ଅଲରେଡି 29/2 ମ୍ୟାଟର ପଳେଇଲାଣି ସବୁ ପାସ୍ ଓଭର ଗୋଟେ ଥିଲା ସେଟା କଲ୍ କରନ୍ତୁ
9. 3/4/2007 under sections 399 and 402 of the IPC.
Oh, sorry.
This is a leave to appeal preferred against the judgment dated 3/4/2007 against acquittal under
appear କରିଗଲେଣି ମାଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ରବୀନ୍ଦ୍ର କୁମାର ସାହୁ I think he was there.
he was there because
I think I have seen him.
limitation application was served on him at 22/11/2023. There is a receipt also.
The learned counsel for the learned लिखिए Mr. Debashish Naik এটা IA ରେ লিখিবে 32 ରେ MC 12/2008 Mr. Debashish Naik AGA for the state opposite party none. The learned AGA submits that in terms of the earlier order dated 13/11/2023 extra copy of this case has been served on the learned counsel for appearing for the opposite parties. Para non-appears for the opposite party when the matter is called to grant further opportunity list on 26 টা বোধহয় list on 26/2/2024
33.
ସବୁଥିରେ କଣ ସିଏ ବି ଏଥିରେ Mr. Sahoo is also the petitioner counsel because same matter 31/10/2010 by SD Jain ପାରଳାଖି ମୁଣ୍ଡି ସେଟା କଣ
Yes, ma'am. It appears.
ଆପଣଙ୍କର ବି କେତେ ଦେଖିଲେ ପାରଳାଖି ମୁଣ୍ଡି
ଦେଖୁଛି Melot.
ସେଟା ବରପାଲି since Mr. R.K. Sahoo is appearing in both the matters I thought that they are connected but the first matter is from Borpali second is from
AJ Parleka Mundi.
Non-appears for the petitioner when the matter is called. The defects pointed by the stamp reporter is yet to be removed. to grant further opportunity to the petitioner list on 27/2/2024.
Item 34.
ଆପଣ ସେ ଯୋଉ ସାଇଡରେ appearance ଗୁଡା note କରୁଛନ୍ତି? ଆପଣ ସବୁବେଳେ you have to develop this habit.
Item 34.
34, my lords, is a leave to appeal against the judgment dated 13/5.
So in this case, no one is appearing.
No, Prince. No one is appealing.
You saw another copy?
My lords.
Mr. Devashish Naik, AGA for the state, opposite party blank, at a miscase 51 of 2012. The Lieutenant Counsel for the state shall serve an extra copy of the miscase on the Lieutenant Counsel appearing for the opposite party. If he is having instructions to appear. May empty change kar diyantu. The Lieutenant Counsel for the state shall serve an extra copy on the Lieutenant Counsel for the opposite party instructed to appear. It is just that they are no more appearing. So that is a problem.
Okay.
Who has instructions to appear? Who has instructions to appear? List on 5/2/2024.
Item 35.
Petitioner none, opposite party blank. None appears for the petitioner when the matter is called. None had appeared, though the matter was called twice over on 30/10/2023. To grant further opportunity, list on 28/2/2024.
Item 36.
Same as 35. Next.
Item 37.
Same order. Date upon. अच्छा 36 रे कौन पढ़े लेनी ठीक है none for the petitioner Mr. A. Sarichandan for the opposite party. None appears for the petitioner when the matter is called. List on 27/2/2024 to grant further opportunity. 37 same order as 35. 37 ने डेट दे दियो तू 29/2/2024.
38.
My lord, I am appearing on behalf of my Mr.
BK Paddy on behalf of PK Paddy for the petitioner.
My lord, 6 weeks time required for defect removal of defect. Man.
The Lieutenant Counsel for the petitioner seeks accommodation to remove the defects as prayed for. 6 weeks to be granted to remove the defects. List after removal of defect.
39.
Defects as pointed by the SR.
ये प्ले on behalf of Mr. Jugal Kishore Pandya, man, kindly plead for it.
You are Mr. Karna.
My lord.
Mr. BK Karna.
My lord.
BK Karna on behalf of JK Panda on behalf of the petitioner. The Lieutenant Counsel for the petitioner seeks a further accommodation to remove defects as prayed for. Defects be removed within 2 weeks. Yes.
Item 40.
May I please you?
May I please your worship? Yes. Here they have appeared. Mr. Mahanti,
Yes. But yeah, in this case,
this is for condemnation of delay.
condemnation delay, it can dispose to the
This is they are present, so I think it has to be taken up in their presence.
Monday onwards.
You
Can be disposed of. Monday.
I mean,
I think Mr. Guru was last time.
yes, right. Wait.
Monday.
Correct. So I mean, he was appearing, you have marked him. So
Yes.
Or you have to serve another copy.
No.
Because when he is appearing, I'm directing to serve another copy. You inform him. Last time Mr. Mahanti was there. Mr. Amar Mahanti. Mr. Sangram Das, Standing Counsel, Vigilance. Opposite party, none. This case 17 of 2014. List on 18, you are saying. Next week, Monday.
Yes.
18, 12, 20, 23.
So, can it be 20th?
20th. 20 कर दियो. 20, 12, 20, 23.
Item 41.
41 minutes, I will remove the defects.
And 2017 matter. So
Defects number 2 is there. I will remove it minutes within 2 weeks.
Standing Counsel लिखिए 40-41. Mr. Sangram Das, Standing Counsel for this petitioner state. Opposite party blank. The defects as appointed by the SR be removed within 3 weeks.
Please. So far, 42 is concerned notes. Here the notice written.
Fresh notice in present correct address.
That's why I pay for 4 weeks 10 months.
42 same appearance रहला. Opposite party blank रहला. The learned Standing Counsel, the office note put up by the registry indicates that unserved notice has been received back from the opposite party with postal endorsement. No such addressee found. No such quotation arrival. Then Sapara, the Lord Standing Counsel 6 we need to take notice afresh to the opposite party in present correct address. Then Sapara. Prayer is allowed, let notice be issued. Prayer are stopped, let notice be issued by registered post with AD. Requisites for issuance of notice by registered post with AD be filed within 4 weeks. Unutilized requisites shall be utilized. Unserved notice you can again utilize.
Item 43.
Same order as defects be removed within 3 weeks. Same appearance. Defect as pointed. 44. None for the IALQ 95 of 2018. None for petitioner. Mr. SS, can you AGA for the state? None appears for the petitioner when the matter is called. List on 23-2-24.
Item 45.
Mr. Manish Dhir on behalf of S. Naik for the petitioner. Opposite party blank. The counsel for the petitioner. 6 accommodation. As paid for list on 21-2024. Name of Mr. Sarthak Naik indicated in the cause list. What is this, Mr. Pading? Three to call pole. Upon waiting list waiting room कि पाड़ी allow करिवे जो माने waiting hall रे अछन तम केमते allow करछन नै आपण देखि कि चेक करी कि रे बसी कोन तो item number mention हेतले ताको allow करे that is crucial. ऑर्डर कौन थिला एते तो आईए एटा अछि व्हाट इज दिस आईए लिखिबे आईए 1 of 20 नहीं एटा कोन डाउट मैटर सेल सेल 13 of 2020 সেটা ঠিক আছে। IA is 1 of 21. To grant further opportunity to the petitioner, please turn. Last February को डालते 22 2/2024. Yes. Yes, next.
Item 47.
Petitioner none. To grant non-appeals for the petitioner when the matter is called. To grant further opportunity. Non-appeals for the petitioner. The defects as pointed by the SR be removed within 4 weeks. Yes, next.
48.
Please, my lords. My lords, this is the early hearing application in writ petition 8079.
Yes.
My lords had asked us to confer with the other side. My lords, the other side has informed me that they are not available on any date between today and the 20th.
Your lordships, if I may.
My lords,
IA number is?
My lords, IA number 18484.
Your lordship, we being led by Mr. Das in this matter, and I've been informed by his office that he's traveling from Thursday onwards.
No, yes. She only said that he's not available.
My lords, they've informed me. My lords, my only.
On 20th, so let it come on that day then.
Yes, my lords, my
So
only.
let us not complicate there. So
My lords,
there is already a judicial order adjourning the matter on.
Yes. My lords, my only request and the reason I make the request is, my lords, Honorable NCLT Cuttack bench assembles only on Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. Even if we are heard on Tuesday, my lords, instead of Wednesday, the Honorable, suppose, my lords, the writ gets decided one way or the other, the Honorable NCLT can be asked, my lords, to do
I mean, most
otherwise we will be on vacation.
reasonably, it can't be resolved in Monday. The only way that you agree for this kind of litigation, as you know, I mean, recent history up to Supreme Court, only if the parties agree, then there can be some headway.
I understand,
And they agree easily before the Supreme Court, not so easily before the High Court or the court before the NCLT. So,
My lords, it's very unfortunate, my lords, that they have informed me in advance, and I candidly state that, my lords. He had sent me a message yesterday when I asked him. He informed me.
no, you see, today we have listed it for orders for fixing a date. There is already a date.
Yes, my lords.
So
We'll come on that day.
the IA doesn't solve any purpose.
We'll have it on
Yes, my lords.
20th.
We'll come on that date.
This is item 48.
48, my lords.
Your IA, Ms. Jory, is
18484, my lords.
IA number 18984 of 2023. Appearance Lekhantu. Today, you are there, and Mr. Agarwal is there for the other side.
Yes, my lords. He's for the petitioner in the main writ petition. I am for the respondent number 4 in the main writ petition.
Lekhantu, for the IA petitioner, Ms. Jory,
Yes, my lord.
you are the opposite party. IA petitioner, that's OP. Ms. Jory and Mr. Agarwal, IA opposite party petitioner. The IA has been filed seeking leave for listing of the matter at an early date prior to the next date of listing. It is stated at the bar that it is stated by the learned counsel, Ms. Joru, that since the other side has not agreed for any date prior to the next date of listing, the IA is not pressed.
My lords, if my lords,
The IA is not pressed. Purna kati diyantu kon likhile since ta kati diyantu since kati sentence ta change kar diyantu since to kati diyantu matra dakte stop stop tapare tapare prior to the next date of listing. Yes, ঠিক আছে. Stop. ঠিক আছে তাহলে. In view, para লিখুন, in view of the above, the IA would not survive any further, stands disposed of. The matter shall be listed on the next date as directed earlier. 2012-2023 by the next date, on the next date as directed earlier. Mr. Prabhu?
My lords, I'm extremely sorry, my lords. I'm in 46. My lords, I was
in BC, yes.
My lords, I was trying to join in item for number 46, my lords. It's an
46, Prabhu, you are not allowing.
no, I'm extremely sorry.
When Prabhu or somebody like him comes in the waiting room, so then we have to allow. Yes, next.
Grateful, my lords.
No, Prabhu is now with a number 46. Sir, there is a difficulty where we are now here trying to defend cyber attacks.
My lords, technically, what is
All of you have your numbers.
my lords, technically after we are allowed, then only we can renumber.
No, mention करिए ना. तले गोटे हमारा रहुची. Sir, kindly mention your name with item number. See it देखो. It is there in the VC.
Yes, my lord. Yes, yes.
Sir, madam भी अच्छी. So that was for Miss Jory. Now you are there. Then out of that again, sir, kindly mention your. It is replete with these messages.
Sorry, next time it this mistake.
46 ଟା ତ କିଛି ହେଇନି କଣ ଗୋଟେ ହେଇଛି
এটা ସେଥିରେ
ଆଇରେ ଲେଖିଦେବେ ମିଷ୍ଟର ପ୍ରଭୁ ପ୍ରସନ୍ନ ବେହେରା ସିଜିସି along with ମିଷ୍ଟର ପିକେ ପାଢୀ ଏସ୍ ଆଇଟା ଆଜନ ହେଇଛି ଆଉ
yes madam actually this has been
22 ଫେବୃଆରୀ ନା ଆପଣ କେବେ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି
I'm obliged madam. Yes madam.
The IA was because it is for August, the IA was taken up. In fact, this the IA is listed for today. Yes, next.
Yes. I'm obliged. 49.
May I please, Lordship? Madam, I am applying for the opposite party on behalf of Devasnan Das, sir.
Like petitioner नଥିଲେ कौन करियो कुछ करियो
Petition कभी no.
ए इष्टा कभी पाई नांती
No, my lord.
देना दे पर्सन
No, my lord.
Petitioner none आपन को please tell your name, sir.
Sujit Satpathy.
Mr. Sujit Satpathy on behalf of Devasnan Das for the opposite party. ଆପଣ ଯଦି ରେଗୁଲାର ଆପିୟର କରୁଛନ୍ତି ସବୁବେଳେ ଆପିୟରାନ୍ସ ଫାଇଲ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ now you are his chamber junior ଫାଇଲ ୟୁର that ସେ ଯୋଉ ଆଗରୁ 4 ଟଙ୍କା ସେଟା ଥିଲା ଏବେ ଟିକେ ଅଧିକ ଇଏ ହଉଛି to grant further opportunity it is ତାପରେ ଲେଖିବେ it is submitted by the learned counsel for the opposite party that copy of the petition has not been served on him though directed earlier. To grant further opportunity to the petitioner, list on 21/2/2024.
Item 15.
Obliged.
I am applying for the opposite party, madam. 50. Yes, your lordship.
No, 50, Mr. Pujari.
Oh, sorry.
Mr. Pujari matter.
Yes, Pujari. Prahalad Senapati, criminal division 100/2021.
No.
Oh, sorry.
This is here an LP of state.
I'm sorry.
The standing counsel, my lords, is appearing in this case.
54.
से अपन पारे किछि डिपोजिशन कॉपी अछि कि जोतरे सब्सटेंशियल एग्जामिन करि हबो
Okay. I can see the deposition copies.
अच्छा स्टैंडिंग काउंसिल पे ताले आउ दुलु आसु ताले ही इज नॉट देयर मिस्टर पुजारी yes you are right Mr. Praraj was appearing my order sheet shows that say Mr. Devashish Naik AGA for the state Mr. B Pujari learned counsel for the opposite party the learned counsel for the state seeks further accommodation and miscase order reach actually miscase 26 of 2005 delay condon नहीं पर्यंत I think 26 of 2005. The land counsel for the petitioner seeks further accommodation to advance arguments in terms of the earlier order dated 16/11/2023 as prayed for list on 22/2024 sorry 24
I may be pardon, my lord, item 42. My lord, item 42 due to technical glitches, my lord, I am not able to, my lord, reach the court, my lord. That's why it could not be, my lord. खाली condonation delay टा थिला से गोटे ये पे leave petition.
In fact, in item 14, I have to open the correct address, my lords, to send.
Even I am switched off. Boys, 42.
Notice has to, I have to take.
He says that he has instruction to appear. Mr. Das, if you want, you have instruction, then you file your.
My lord, I have already appeared, my lord, in this case.
You just receive the copy. You will file that memo in the court.
My lord, I will receive copy. Let them solve, my lord, I will receive copy.
So for further order is necessary. That order will be modified accordingly.
My lord,
yes, the consequence is same. You receiving the copy and he sending taking fresh notices.
Exactly, my lord.
Yes, please. Yes, Mr. Lenka, upon call city.
Item 51 may be adjourned to any other day, my lord. Shanti Prakash Mahathi will onward.
Mr. P.K. Lenka, Mr. Upon P.K. na upon Khalipi. Khalipi upon P. Lenka. P. Lenka for the petitioner on behalf of Shanti Prasad SP Mahanti for the along with Kardava. That power ach. Along with Mr. SP Mahanti for the petitioner. Opposite party blank. 51 रे खाली आपण जणे अछंती नै कि आपनकर वेटिंग हॉल रे कि अछंती वेटिंग रूम रे opposite party blank the Lord counsel for the petitioner seeks accommodation to advance arguments as prayed for list on 26 February
Item 52.
memo टा उठे देछनी होते आपको मल्टीटास्किंग हैबिट करे पड़ियो यू हैव टू लुक दैट साइड हियर स्टार्ट राइटिंग बसंत Mr. M.S.Sahoo for the petitioner opposite party blank the learned counsel for the petitioner submits that as per the instructions issued from the petitioner he doesn't want to proceed with the matter any further. Memo dated 13/12/2023 filed by the Learned Counsel for the petitioner is taken on record. The subpara the petition stands disposed of. It is in the stamp ki record hai laga.
53 I am for the respondent. The appellant advocate no more. Rajesh Ponda is no more.
अन्य माने के तचन समस्या ना अछि ना ए महापात्र पीके नायक petitioner none Miss Anima Kumari Dei A.K.Dei for the opposite party learned non appears for the petitioner lekhantu when the matter is called to grant further opportunity list on 27/2/2024
dita tarikh re asina ote last chance kar den no asli
last chance to dein milwa to mana karai you all of you have combinedly advised me that I can't dismiss for non prosecution in a revision
disposal
or lack of instruction. It has to be either disposal on merit. Even I can engage legal aid counsel like you appear in legal aid. So that is the difficulty. So the list has in fact grown out of proportion now.
May please receive.
Mr. Polida for the opposite party, GM Polida.
But I don't think the criminal revision is maintainable in this case. Here, the order of cognizance is order challenge. So, according to 3,
say cognizance order, say already the matter has proceeded. So, that is Korean. Say but let us wait. Start. Upon update status, Mogo, I don't think.
letter lekha is charging lekhi pathi.
Asipari. The non appears for the petitioner non Mr. GM Polida for the opposite party on behalf of A. Misra.
Yes. Yes, Mr.
Non appears for the petitioner when the matter is called. The learned counsel for the opposite party submits that He has sought for instructions regarding the present status of the matter
Well,
pending in the Ladet court in season. Stop. List on 27 ଯାଇଥିଲା ନାଇଁ 28/2/2024 obligors. Yes, next.
Madam, I am appearing on behalf of my learned senior, Mr. L. Achari.
Okay, Mr.
Lambodar Achari.
Your name, sir?
S.K. Mahapatra.
So S.K. Mahapatra on behalf of Lambodar Achari, L. Achari for the petitioner, Mr. S.K. Acharya for the opposite party. Yes, what is the matter? 138.
My lord, 133 proceeding. Till 2000, they encroach the public road. Finding is there. Tahsildar demarcation report is also there. Since 2012, not a single villager passed in that road. My lord, may kindly see my
No, sir. You are the opposite party. So it stay ହେଇଯାଇଛି ନା କଣ ମୁଁ ବୁଝି ପାରୁନି stay କଣ ହେଇଗଲା
further proceeding ଟା stay ହେଇଛି ସେ କିଛି SDM କିଛି କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି
ସେ 133 ରେ କଣ ହବ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆପଣ ଏଇଟା ତ civil nature of ଇଏ we are the villagers. Sir, I understand. ଆପଣ ତ villagers, you are unable to watch. ସେଟା ବି ବୁଝିଲି ମନେ ଅଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଏଇ ଯୋଉ 133 144 ହଁ ସେଥିରେ କଣ ହବ ଆପଣ ପବ୍ଲିକ ରୋଡ ରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ହବା କଥା ଇଏ ଏନକ୍ରୋଚମେଣ୍ଟ ଓଡିଶା ପ୍ରିଭେନ୍ସନ ଅଫ ଓପିଏଲ 33 ଏସଡିଏମ ର ପାୱାର ଅଛି ଓପିଏଲ ରେ ଦେଖେଇବେ ଓପିଏଲ ଟା ଆଣିକି
that is not, it is a proceeding under 133 CRPC
133 ରେ ଅଛି ଯେ
ମାନେ ଏମାନେ କାହିଁ ସେମାନେ ମିସକେସ୍ ଦେଖିଲେ ମିସକେସ୍ ଟା ଯୋଉ 1120 2012 ଯୋଉଟା ଦେଇଛି ସେ ମିସକେସ୍ ର ଆନେକ୍ସ 2 ଟା ଟିକେ
କପି ସର୍ଭ କରିଛନ୍ତି
ଆଜ୍ଞା 2012 ଦେଲେ
instruction on that miscase.
Yes, my lord. I will take instruction.
हम सर रिपोर्ट ଟା ଦେଖି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ତହସିଲଦାର ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଟା ଦେଖି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
ସାର୍ ଆପଣ ଏ ଯୋଉ 11 ବର୍ଷ ପରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଯଦି ମିସକେସ୍ ବି ଫାଇଲ କରିଛନ୍ତି
ମିସକେସ୍ ଫାଇଲ
I understand sir ଯେ 133
କୋଟା ସେ ଏନକ୍ରୋଚ କରିଛନ୍ତି ସେଟା ସେ ମ୍ୟାପ
ସେଟା ଏନକ୍ରୋଚମେଣ୍ଟ ରିମୁଭାଲ ହେଲାଣି ଏସଡିଏମ ପ୍ରୋସିଡିଂ ରେ ଓପିଏଲ ରେ ହେଇପାରିବ ବିକଜ ଦେयर ଇଜ ଆଡଜୁଡିକେସନ
ସରକାର
133 ଯେ ସମରି ପ୍ରୋସିଡିଂ
ସମରି ପ୍ରୋସିଡିଂ
ସେଥିରେ ଆପଣ ଓପିଏଲ ରେ ହେଇପାରିଥାନ୍ତେ ଆପଣ ଯଦି ମୁଭ୍ କରିଥାନ୍ତେ ସମରି ପ୍ରୋସିଡିଂ କେତେଟା ରିଟ୍ ଫାଇଲ କରିଛନ୍ତି କହିଲେ ଓପିଏଲ ରେ ଫର ଡିସ୍ପୋଜାଲ ଅଫ ଦ ଇଏ କାହିଁ ଫାଇଲ କରୁଛନ୍ତି because you but people also can come to the High Court that OPL proceeding is not taken up. पूरा OPL रे SDM का पावर नहीं तहसीलदार का पावर है
133 CRPC रे पावर अछि
मैजिस्ट्रेट लेनी को कॉन्टेक्स्ट में कहले आपण कहले जे 133 लोक माने जाई पार नांती 133 रास्ता बंद अछि आपण 11 वर्ष होला बसचंती 133 करी so one context asura stay la high court re
ଆମେ ମିଷ୍ଟେକ୍ ଭାକେସନ ଷ୍ଟେ ଫାଇଲ କରୁଛୁ କରନ୍ତୁ ଆଜି 16
ଆପଣ appeal କଲା ପୂର୍ବରୁ ନା ପରେ stay ହେଇଥିଲା
ଆପେ ପୂର୍ବରୁ ହେଇଥିଲା
ଆଉ ତାହେଲେ ଆପଣ 11 ବର୍ଷ ହେଲା କଣ କରୁଥିଲେ
ଭାକେସନ ଷ୍ଟେ ଅର୍ଡର ମିଳର ସେ ଭାକେସନ ଷ୍ଟେ ଅର୍ଡର
ହାଇ କୋର୍ଟ ଆପଣ କହିବେ ଯେ କିଛି ନ ବୁଝିକି ଷ୍ଟେ କରିଦେଲେ ତା ମାନେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି
ଇନଡାଇରେକ୍ଟ ସେ କଥା ନୁହଁ
ଇନିସିଆଲ ଷ୍ଟେ ଅର୍ଡର
ସେନ୍ ଖାଲି ପଇପୁଣ୍ଡ କଥା ଷ୍ଟେ ଅଛି ୱିଦାଉଟ୍ ଗୋଇଂ ଟୁ ଦି ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ
ପ୍ରାଇମେରୀ ସାଟିସ୍ଫାକ୍ସନ ଦେଖେଇଥିବେ ନା
ଆଜ୍ଞା ପ୍ରାଇମେରୀ ମୁଁ ମିସକେସ୍ ଭାକେସନ ଷ୍ଟେ ଦେଖି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଆଉ ସେ ଜାଣିପାରିବେ ଆପଣ କଣ ପ୍ରାଇମେରୀ ଅଛି
144 ये प्रोसीडिंग में ये ना से आज when you बने go for one CRPC proceeding 141 133 the courts will be this problem will be there ଆପଣଙ୍କର ତାଙ୍କର ମେଜର ପ୍ଲି ଥିବ ଯେ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଦିସ୍ ଇଜ ଏ ସିଭିଲ ନେଚର ଅଫ ପ୍ରୋସିଡିଂ ଆମର ରାଇଟ ଟାଇଟଲ ଇଣ୍ଟରେଷ୍ଟ ଅଛି କି we are claiming adverse possession suppose that is not 133 proceeding ଏତେ ହାତ ନେଲେ ବାଜିଗଲା ଶବ୍ଦ ହେଲାଣି ହାତ ତଳୁ କରନ୍ତୁ କହୁଛି once he comes up in the high court knows that sir this we have filed we are claiming adverse possession but 133 proceeding they have ତାଙ୍କର କଣ କେସ୍ କହିଲେ
ତାଙ୍କ କେସ୍ ଅଛି 3 ଡିସମିଲ୍ ଜାଗା କିଣିଥିଲେ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ
ନାଇଁ ଆପଣ ସେଟା ପଢି ନାହାନ୍ତି ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କୋଉ କେସ୍ ଆର୍ଗ୍ୟୁ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ପାରା 2 ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ପାରା 2 of the petition page 3
ପାରା 2 ରେ
ଏପରି ସେଇଥିରେ କେସ୍ଟା
ସେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଆମେ ଗୋଟେ
ପଢନ୍ତୁ ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ମତେ ବୁଝିପାରୁଛି ଆପଣ କାହିଁ ପଢୁଛନ୍ତି
କ୍ରିମିନାଲ 100 ବ୍ରେକିଂ ଆକ୍ଟ ଏନକ୍ରୋଚମେଣ୍ଟ ବାଇ 100
ପଢୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ Page 3 para 2,
my lord. There the opposite parties as the petitioner initiated criminal miscase number 100/2008 making allegation of encroachment by the petitioners over public road by encroaching boundary wall. Under
constructing
boundary wall, permanent boundary.
completely absent-minded. You are unable to read
Year 1992.
For slowly पढ़ंतु, attentively पढ़ंतु.
For such wrong map, the petitioner have already approached the Revisional Authority under the Odisha Survey Settlement Act 1958, which is pending SRP number such as SRP number 295 of 2009 before the Joint Commissioner Consolidation and Settlement Odisha Cuttack. The petitioner have purchased the alleged encroached portion along with other land from their vendors by registered sealed who are rightful owners.
133 case is over. The SDM has no jurisdiction. This has to be allowed. This petition, at best you can get an order that you will be have a right of audience in SRP number 295 of 2009.
Disposition will power instruction that will make us
se chada good dekhantuni ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଆପଣ ଗାଡୁ କରନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ because this is only adding to the pendency,
my lord.
Because this thing specifically asked you, ଆପଣ କହିଲେ no other case is pending.
ସେଇ ତାଙ୍କ ପର୍ଚେଜ ଜାଗା ଉପରେ ସେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି
ସାର୍ ଆପଣ ବୁଝିପାରୁନାହାନ୍ତି ତାହେଲେ. If there is a parallel proceeding, revenue or civil proceeding which is adjudicating the lease inter partes, the disputed claim ଆପଣ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ସେଟା road encroached. You see the ଶୁଣିବେନି. She says that I have purchased the alleged encroached portion. ସେଟା ମାନୁଛନ୍ତି କି ଆପଣ ଯୋଉ allegation ହଉଛି he has purchased by registered sale deed. ଆପଣଙ୍କ correction of wrong recording of map ପାଇଁ ସେ SRP number 295, SRP number 295 of 2009 କେବେ order ହେଲା ଆପଣଙ୍କ এই order ଟା? When this order has been passed by the 133 in the SDM?
133 has been passed, my lord.
Take instructions.
3/10/2012
তাহলে immediately set aside. This is palpably illegal wrong order.
My lord,
order passed by the SDM is palpably illegal. 2009 proceeding is pending and he passes an order in 2012. This is the reason of pendency. For no reason the cases are increasing. They should have been allowed immediately.
My lord,
ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ even ଆପଣ ଆଇଆର ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ସେଟା ପ୍ଲି କିଛି ନେଇ ନଥିବେ.
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ପର୍ଚେଜ ଲ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ ନେଇଛନ୍ତି ଆମ ସେଲ୍
sir please don't convert it to the proceeding of a revenue authority. This is a se बहुत पछरे आपण रेट रे आसे सेटा विचार हबो. SRP रे कोन हबो सेटा that I am not concerned now.
Only one thing your lordship may see the
no 133 has no business.
Pura enforcement is
you see pura enforcement or the enforcement is not the question. When SRP is pending, you are a party in the SRP or not? The vendor is a party.
I am not vendor.
किए पटे से अपन ना करो
विलेजर सामने अलग लोग
अरे अपन विलेजर्स कोठी में लिखा है निर्णय पार्टी
5% अप्रोच
किए से SRP रे प्रोसीडिंग रे पार्टीशन नहीं
नाम से नाम
ताले काई व्हाई यू हैव कम हियर but you have been set up.
My lord,
sir, you are not following it. When there is SRP is pending regarding that for correction of map before the appropriate jurisdiction, the revenue court, what happened in that proceeding?
For that reason, I said what happened.
No, he has come. He doesn't have to get that order. Why he will get that order? He challenging 133 proceeding by before the SDM. He has no business to entertain these things.
My lord,
no
movement.
No, today you see, Mr. Acharya, I would have allowed this and closed the matter.
No.
Only Tahsildar government Mr. Acharya, don't be overconfident that the court will not understand. Tahsildar has no business to give any report till it is decided by the court of competent jurisdiction. I would have today allowed this. But since he is seeking accommodation, then these matters is not required to be pending here for 2 years. Don't advise me to pass a laughable order. 133 हारीगला से आपनकर सेठी हारी जिवे आपन तांकर जहा करिवे तापरे आपन 133 करिवे कि कोन करिवे सेटा दैट इज योर लुक आउट. एठी कोर्ट रो काम नो जे कोठी कोन केस होची सेटा मु बुझी कि तांको मागिबी. That's not that's none of the business of the court. And you see, you are so reckless, you don't even state that. Even the petitioner.
She has not.
अरे आपण शुणନ୍ତୁ आपण कोर्टले आपण petition रे कोर्टले वन लेक्चर SRM ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ ସେ petition
ଆମେ ଲେଖିବୁ ଆମେ ତ ଫାଇଲ କରିଛୁ ସେ ମଧ୍ୟ
setup you are set up ଏଟା କୋଟେ ମାନେ ବାଲେଶ୍ୱର ନା ଭଦ୍ରକ
ନା ସେ ବାନ୍ତି ନେବା ରାସ୍ତାଟା
ବାକି ତାହେଲେ ଏଟା you have been set up. The true fact is that you have been set up to sir you are not the lawyer आपण ମୁଣ୍ଡଟା କାଇଁ ହଲଉଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ଜାଣିଲେ କେମିତି
set up
when there is a appropriate revenue proceeding same relief you are seeking you are set up and you are not a party you say you are not a party there
ନା ଆମେ ତାଙ୍କ ବିରୋଧ କଲୁ
you have no business ଆପଣ ଏଠି ଭାଷଣ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁନି ମୁଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ କୋଉଟା ବିରୋଧ କର ଆପଣ ଆନ୍ସର କରନ୍ତୁ legal question whether this matter is pending before the SRM or not that's enough then it has to be dismissed but I mean it has to be allowed you have no business 133 has to be dismissed you should not have entered in 133 133 hearing ହେଇଥିଲା opportunity ଦିଆଯାଇଥିଲା ଆମକୁ ଆପଣ ଦେଖିଲେ brief ନାହିଁ
yes my lord
କौन से ताका stand कौन ନେଇଥିଲେ ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ
My lord, you would like to take some instructions.
No, whatever it may be, सेटा तो once I have granted adjournment means adjournment. It's wastage of time, I know, because of Mr. Acharya.
My lord, paragraph 5 of the judgment, the appeal though has filed so cause did not prefer to adduce any oral and documentary evidence in the proceeding and in conformity his own.
अरे आपण 2009 proceeding कथा पचारछि मो 2009 proceeding कथा कोन कहिसंती ये because he initiates a proceeding in 2012 the SDM what he has observed regarding the 2009 proceeding
RP order mo pan
haji short for an report from the current
RP विषय ते total then CM मध्ये ताको disclose करना trial court they have not disclosed at all now in the revision tested
so whatever it may be you are not denying that sir
no I am number trial court se number
this is not the way to argue. This is not the way to argue.
That was not reflected in the document.
Jodi he has taken a stand, you should have filed that counter also. That there is no case pending.
I'll take it.
Don't jump around.
Suddenly they taken plea in the revision, my lord.
Nothing, sir. You are
stated any
sir. ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ improbable କଥା କହୁଛନ୍ତି ସେ 2009 ରେ ଫାଇଲ କରିକି ପିଟିସନ ଏଠି ଲେଖିବେ
ଶୋକଜ ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି
ଆରେ କିଏ ମନା କଲା ଶୋକଜ ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି ବୋଲି ଆପଣ ବୁଝିପାରୁନାହାନ୍ତି ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଡ ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ରେ କି ଯେ ସେମିତି କେସ୍ ନାହିଁ ବୋଲି ବେଷ୍ଟେଡ ସେଲ୍ଡିଂ ନାହିଁ ବୋଲି
I have not checked that case sir
ତାହେଲେ କାହିଁକି ଆଇ ଫାଇଲ କଲେ without filing the counter
ମୁଁ ଆଇଟା ଫାଇଲ କରିଛି
the matter is pending since though the matter is pending since the এটা লেখলে adjournment লেখ সারলে তো কিছু লেখা হয়নি the learned counsel for the petitioner seeks accommodation to obtain instruction and advance arguments the learned counsel for the opposite party Mr. Acharya refers to the miscase number 1120 of 2023
no 2012
to which has been filed for vacating the interim order passed on 17/11/2012. In the said proceeding, in the said IA, the specific averment of the petitioner at paragraph 2 of the petition, considering which this court has granted the interim prayer, has not been answered, has not been referred to. Paragraph 2, quote kar debe. In paragraph 2 of the petition, the following has been stated. In view of the fact that the pendency of the SRP number 295 of 2009 before the Joint Commission on Consolidation and Settlement Odisha, Katak having not been denied by the opposite parties, this court is not inclined to entertain the IA and the IA stands dismissed. Yes. তারপরে পারা 3 টা পড়িলে
That though the discrepancy in the Sabik and Hal settlement maps do exist
was
and
brought to the notice of the Learned Sub-Divisional Magistrate along with other relevant facts. The Learned Magistrate in illegal exercise of jurisdiction and without appreciation of the relevant facts has passed orders directing for removal. कौन नहीं ग्रुप लीडर नहीं जानते?
ସେ ବିଷୟରେ
अच्छा एसडीएम को पावर अच्छी मैप करेक्शन पे?
No.
तहसीलदार को पावर अच्छी?
Correction पे?
से रिपोर्ट आने No, you are a master. You are practicing that branch. You know that. Sir, it's a clear case where you see the problem is that
I think that is
SR कोटा
ଆମେ ତାଥିରେ ପକ୍ଷ ନାହୁଁ
that is the problem. Sir, you are set up.
ନା
ଆପଣ ଯୋଉଦିନ ସେଟଅପ୍ ହେଲେ ସେଇଦିନ ଭାବିବାର ଥିଲା ଆପଣ କ୍ଲାଏଣ୍ଟ କୁ କହିବେ ଯେ ସେଟଅପ୍ ହେଲେ ଏଇ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ହବ ବିକଜ ଆପଣ ସବଷ୍ଟାନ୍ଟିଭ ଆନ୍ସର ଦେଇପାରିବେନି ଆପଣ ତାହେଲେ ଆଇଓ କୋଉଠି ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ
ନା ସେ ବିଷୟରେ କହିନି
ତାହେଲେ ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ଏଠି କଣ କରିବେ ମାନେ ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ୱିଲ୍ ଅଲସୋ ନଟ୍ କନସିଡର ଆପଣ କୋର୍ଟ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ସେ ପ୍ଲି ନେଇଛନ୍ତି ତାହେଲେ ଆପଣ ଦେଖୁଛନ୍ତି ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି ହଁ
you have no instruction about that case.
ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ତା ବି ଭୁଲ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ପାରା 7 ପଢନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଆଇଏର
ନା ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ ନାହିଁ ସେ ବିଷୟରେ ଆମେ କରୁ ଖାଲି କହିଦେଇଛୁ ସେ
ପାରା 7 ପଢନ୍ତୁ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ପାରା 7 ର ପାଇଏ
that the alleged GRP number filed by
GRP no SRP
number is filed by petitioner
2009 same
आगे the petitioner
filed by the petitioner too is afterthought
କି
ରହନ୍ତୁ ସେଠି ହଁ 2009 ଟା becomes afterthought for 2012 petition
ସେଟା ଆମ disclose they have not disclosed before the trial court ସେଥିପାଇଁ
ନାଇଁ ସେଟା ଆପଣ ଭାବନ୍ତୁନି ଗୋଟେ 50 ଥର କହିଲେ ଠିକ ହେଇଯିବ ବୋଲି
ନା ନା ସେ
not disclose ତ କହିଲେ ଆପଣ ଏଠି ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ସେଟା ଏଇଟା ଲେଖନ୍ତୁ in the IE it is stated at paragraph 7 that SRP number 295 of 2009 filed by the petition number 2 is afterthought where on the contrary the SRP was filed in the year 2009 ये केस टा केबे इनिशिएट हला
12
मामो कैसे केबे फाइल
केस टा ऑर्डर टा 12 रो केस टा केबे इनिशिएट हला इनपुट ऑर्डर टा देखो
2008 में
2008 में
8 पर 9 पर फाइल
was initiated in the year 2008
मतलब CRLM
and the order was passed in the year 2012 कहते 3/10 2012 मतलब in view of the para since the IA doesn't also disclose तो आप लोग पार्टी नहीं देने को चाहते
हमें क्षेत्र पार्टी हूँ
अपन बुझ पाना नहीं in one hand you are saying it is afterthought on the other hand you are saying you are not a party अपन लिखी पर
SRC हम पार्टी में
अरे आया जोटा भी जे भी पार्टी अच्छे अपन तो लिखिबे सेटा अपन जो जोटा आर्ग्यू करिवे कोर्ट रे कोनटा आर्ग्यू करिवे हमें
instruction about that SRC में
obviously or else what you can argue अपन तो कुछ करिवे
ना ना से क्वेश्चन लगाने पड़ेगा for that reason I said because we have no
status of the said so and so case sta so and so pending before the the IA stands dismissed.
Item 56.
Miss Saubhagya Lakshmi Patnaik कौन कहले पटनायक बोले बोलते सॉरी सौभाग्य लक्ष्मी पटनायक हाँ मिस एस पटनायक मेंशन गुड़ा भी नोट करा जाए सकाळे on behalf of Amita Tripathi for the petitioner Mr. 56 who is appearing Mr. Dayasis Naik
56 my lords Mr. S.S. Mahapatra
Mr. S.S. Mahapatra AC for the state The law and counsel for the petitioner seeks accommodation to advance arguments. As paid for list of TC 2-20-24. Then चार्टा ठीक अच्छे 57 देखो
Item 57.
petitioner non-opposite party 57 who is appearing Mr. S.S. Mahapatra AC. None for the petitioner to grant another opportunity. List on 24 is a Saturday. 25-2-20-24. Sunday, sorry. But that reflection देखा जाओ 26-2-20-24. Yes, next.
Item 58.
Mr. S.K. Bhanjadev for the petitioner. Mr. S.S. Mahapatra AC for the state. The law and counsel for the petitioner seeks accommodation as paid for list on 28-2-20-24. Yes, next.
Item 59.
Mr. S.S. Rai for the petitioner. Mr. S.S. Mahapatra OP1. OP2 blank. The law and counsel for the petitioner seeks accommodation to obtain instruction and advance arguments as paid for list on 23-2-24.
Item 60.
Mr. Sheikh Aziz on behalf of N.K.Das for the petitioner. Mr. Samantray, Jay Samantray. Opposite party blank. The law and counsel for the petitioner seeks accommodation to advance arguments as paid for list on 22-24. Arguments are 6 accommodation 22-24. Yes, next.
61.
61 notes out of the 2 accused persons in a trap case. One died, another was acquitted.
Yes.
That means that although acquitted, state has preferred this liquidation notes. Cannot dispose of, but it can be tagged with another case at 20th December. Your lordship, which that case.
Only one surviving opposite party.
My lord, I am appealing for the opposite party, my lord.
Surviving. No,
one died.
In which case?
In this case, 61.
61, no. He is the surviving.
They are sold and
Only one opposite party.
No, 1 minute. There are 2 accused persons, Lord. One died, words.
So, ଯାହା against ଯାହାର ଯିଏ acquitted ହେଇଗଲେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଆପଣ ତାଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ସୋ ଆପଣ ତାହେଲେ ଏହା ହେଲା ଯେ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ sold ଯେ but trial ରେ 2 ଜଣ ଥିଲେ that he saying ବୁଝିପାରିଲେ ତ
Acquittal order has been passed against that person. My run for appeals. But
judgment ଟା ଦେଖି ଦଉନାହାନ୍ତି Mr. Das.
Yes, Lord.
My lord, this is the judgment, my lord.
अरे जजमेंट रे प्रफुल्ल कुमार जेना जो आपण ता भितरे थिबो ना जे ड्यूरिंग प्रोसीडिंग सो एंड सो पास्ट हेबे अच्छा ताकर जजमेंट हबो केमतिया से तो अबे ठीक माने द प्रफुल्ल प्रोसीडिंग हैबिट्स
Proposal is still alive, my lord.
अरे हु इज सेइंग काई ताकर तो काई आपण
जणे बा
सीरी को ना लिव बोली
जणे बा अक्यूज अछंती
नहीं
मतलब दिसित जजमेंट
अरे मु आपण तो स्क्रीन टा बुलिया पड़ो मु से देखु छी आपण जानि पार नांती आपनकर किछि समय आगुरु मु सबुडा देखु छी
आगे
सर ठीक अछि नहीं आई वाज टेलिंग हिम आपण से करू गले भी देखि परिबे
ये देखियो तो टिकिए देखियो अरे जान अछि
if lordship permits me.
यस जुजिस्टिर प्रफुल्ल जेना नहीं फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ लागुची से जणे बोली
No. One was acquitted, challenged with that particular acquittal order. State has for this.
जण नथिले अक्यूज्ड
ना
2 जण अक्यूज्ड थिले प्रथमे
ट्रैप केस एतरे जणे अछि ए प्रफुल्ल जेना
ट्रैप केस 3 जण हो परंत से कहि हो
I've got the deputation copy notes. If lordship permits me, may I place that one paragraph discussed, I can dispose of, or lordship will take it on 20th notes.
yes since already then I'll not be able to complete the list already
28 notes.
28 Mr. Standing counsel for the state Mr. Prabhat Kumar Das okay
for list on 20, 12, 23. You have difficulty, Mr. Das?
My lord,
Upon the difficult 20 na kon?
na Korean vacation পরে হলে ভালো হন্তা আমার সে লোক ডাকি টিকে
আচ্ছা
ভ্যাকেশন করবো যে কোন ডেট দিয়ন্ত
ফেব্রুয়ারি না জানুয়ারি?
যে কোন দিন কিছু অসুবিধা নেই।
তো লিস্ট অন 19/2
মাই লর্ড
19 আপনার টিকে বড়াই দিয়ନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ କମେଇ ଦେଲେ କହିଲା ବୋଲି ଟିକେ ବଢେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ।
62.
No.
Mr. S.S. Mahapatra.
Mr. S.S. Mahapatra, AC for the state. The Lawyer Council for the petitioner seeks accommodation as paid for list on 26/2/24.
63.
Same order as in 62.
I am appearing in 63.
63, Mr. P.K. Malik, Mr. On behalf of S.K. Tripathi, on behalf of P.K. Rautray. Mr. Devasys Naik, AG for the state. The Lawyer Council for the petitioner seeks accommodation as paid for list on 26/2/24.
64.
Mr. P.K. Samantarai for the petitioner.
I am appearing.
Mr. Devasys Naik, AG for the state as paid for list on 26/2/24.
65.
Mr. B.K. Misra for the petitioner.
I am appearing for this.
The extra copy ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି ଏ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ? Item 65. There is a noting that extra copy not served on the brief ଟା ଥିଲେ ଜଣା ପଡୁଛି। ଆଉ ଏବେ ତ ସ୍କାନ କରି ପଠେଇ ଦଉଛନ୍ତି।
There is no, I'll ensure that it is solved.
Yes. So, but he has adjourned, but maybe he is not interested. Mr. B.K. Misra for the petitioner, Mr. Devasys Naik, AG for the state, Lawyer Council for the petitioner seeks accommodation as paid for list on 23/2/24.
66.
Mr. H.K. Mahanta for the petitioner.
I am appearing.
Yes.
Here, Your Lordship, I take status of the petition or take inspection after.
Mr. 66, Mr. Naik. Devasys Naik for the AG, the Lawyer Council for the petitioners seeks accommodation to obtain up-to-date instruction.
Amen.
And advance arguments as paid for list on 28/2/24. Yes.
67.
Mr. Simpson Jena. Petitioner none to grant further opportunity. Mr. Naik, you are there.
My lords.
Petitioner none. Mr. Devasys Naik, AG for the state. The non-appeals for the petitioner when the matter is called to grant further opportunity. List on 22/2/24.
Item 68.
Mr. Same order as in 67. None. Mr. Naik, you are there? 68, Mr. Naik is there.
68, 69, and next item.
Yes. List on 23/2.
69.
Mr. M.S.Sahoo for the petitioner. Mr. Devasys Naik for AGO for the state. Lawyer Council for the petitioner seeks accommodation to obtain instructions as paid for list on 23/2/24.
Item 70.
Mr. Soumyaranjan Das for the petitioner. Mr. Satyasundar Kalingo, AG for the state. S.R. Das, S.S. Kalingo, Lawyer Council for the petitioner seeks accommodation to advance arguments. Seeks accommodation. Advance seeks accommodation as paid for list on 27/2/24.
71.
Item 71, man, I'm taking instruction. How many time?
Mr. I'm sorry, Mr. I forgot your name, sir.
H.K. Mudli.
Mr. H.K. Mudli for the petitioner, Mr. S.S. Kalingo for the state, AG for the state. Lawyer Council for the petitioner seeks accommodation to obtain instructions as paid for list on 28/2.
Yes, ma'am.
28/2. Yes, next.
72.
Mr. P.R. Patnaik for the petitioner, Mr. S.S. Kanungu, AGO for the state. Law and counsel for the petitioner seeks accommodation to obtain instructions as paid for list on 28/2/2024.
73.
Petitioner none, Mr. S.S. Kanungu, AGO for the state. None appears for the petitioner when the matter is called to grant further opportunity. List on 23/2/2024.
74.
So that's
On the last occasion, my lords, I had prayed for time to seek instructions. Yes. Accordingly, my lords, we wrote to the petitioner, my lords, but we did not receive any reply, my lords, or nor any call or anything, my lords.
This is appeal against acquittal or
Against acquittal. No, my lord.
against conviction, right? Both courts. So let us wait. Because then the only way out, Mr. Das, is that you take up this case as just like a legal aid counsel. It is your case.
Yes.
So let it be some other day.
No, what I only pray, my lords, only one submission, if I may.
Yes.
If my learned senior may be kind enough to find out through the police station, my lords, regarding the whereabouts of this person.
No, Mr. Das, why I am not passing that out? I am conscious of that. My lord. You see, every day, if you in a week, around 500 cases are like that. So if I direct them to obtain instruction,
in all,
no, not in all. Then why I say repeat the same prayer for other matters? That is a question. You see, I understand the difficulty of a lawyer.
I understand, my lord, what you are.
And so that is how you see. Maybe you may be aware that the council in the state side council, they are writing letters, getting the whereabouts. But that should be in the case of an appeal where there is a major offense which is an eyesore for the showing that it is pending. The person is languishing. Here, he is not bothered. He is not coming to court. He is not contacting the lawyer. Then in how many cases? Actually, I think only 1 or 2 cases.
Virtually in every case, my lords,
every
case. Direction, my lords. Then
yes. Then I have to pass in all the cases. So that becomes a limitation. Mr. A. Das for the petitioner. It is Mr. S.S. Kanungu, AGO for the state. The law and counsel for the petitioner submits that despite his efforts to contact the petitioner, he has not been able to receive any instruction and may be accommodated further. To grant further opportunity, list on 4/3/2024. And the other part is that even it is submitted. I can discuss now because the senior counsel also said that it be dismissed if well granted, that should be forfeited. Then in how many cases that order will be passed?
But now,
you see the adverse order curtailing or affecting somebody's liberty. If it is passed in one case, then that order should be in all the cases. That is the limitation again.
Since it's a revision against conviction, my lords, in view of that latest judgment, my lords, to August judgment, my lords, even these matters, my lords, like criminal appeals, cannot be dismissed in the absence of the counsel, my lords.
Yes. So that is the advice that has to be heard, and that is how I have been educated by the Lawrence Council appealing for the state referring to that decision.
This endeavor to enlighten honorable court regarding this.
Yes.
So we are conscious of our position.
No. He's saying he's prepared. So no. He not. I mean, they only say that because we started to understand what is the way ahead.
My lord.
So one suggestion that came since in this decision.
Taj Muhammad, my lords.
So that citation get anyway, they have cited that only.
Again.
That the court has a limitation as far as disposing the petition. Then they suggested the engage legal aid counsel. Then in every day there should be some 50 engagements, at least 20-30 engagements. That's the other problem. So now at least I am somehow at a kind of a roadblock. I myself am not very sure how to go about it. Only those cases where they are appearing challenging the order of acquittal.
Thank you.
Taj Muhammad citation
My lords, I am giving a copy.
ଛୋଟିଆଟା କେମିତି ହେଇଗଲା?
ଛୋଟିଆଟା ଏଇଟା ହେଲା ଟିକେ ଦେଖି
ମାନେ କଣ କନସିଡର କରିଛନ୍ତି ଜଣା ପଡିବନି.
Relevant paragraphs given.
5 number paragraph ରେ ସବୁ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି.
The Lord Counsel for the yesterday. the land counsel for the petitioner says that, so since it is an appeal against acquittal by the victim in the 376, I try to myself go through so that I can handle it just like we are doing in where amicus is engaged. I handed over the brief to the land counsel. She examined that. Then ultimately we have adjourned the matter to get the report from the registry if any need to appeal is pending by the state. If it is appeal against acquittal, it becomes easier. Easier, at least they can argue. And appeal against acquittal by the same thing by the victim. She doesn't come up. And ultimately we found that the evidence is such that it is very difficult to grant leave. So those are other things. So these matters we say against conviction. There are so many matters against conviction. After Taj Muhammad, or maybe there are some other judgments also.
This is the latest one, my lords, in August 2020.
And one Murugan has appeared in that case as a lawyer. Murugan Kukeja. Typical spelling, of course. 75. Great. Mr. Basudev Mishra for the petitioner, Mr. S.S. Kanungo AG for the state. When it comes to the petitioner seeks accommodation to obtain instructions, as paid for Mr. 29/2/2024. Passover, but you have to check before rising. Also, you have to check if there is anything is left or passed over. Thank you. 9 gote khilata. Thank you. Then yes.